Etimu na machira ye kwan second piece for mobile. Media ha na me radio neda. Mon koto anka no kore no. Eme nipa hu se uye MPP ni na mmoa yen ya. Esase yesesam. Ni ema de obeboa yen. Eba challenges eba Eastern region ha. Na ma Eastern region ha for so etimi afọ to.
They say there is nothing bigger than Ahenkan FM. For me, Ahenkan is one of the greatest media houses in Ghana because you ask the right questions.
Eniama bi webusiemu a ehia se Ewrade gya ye adwuma. Ebusia bi wo ho a wonye ye wuti muani. Wo feel okay but wo ni hwe. Wo ye okay. Nti obitumi ka se ye busia de ye wonipa ye ni sika. Meme no ya adwene. Ohia bi ada webusiemu no. Jesus. Me joja trum.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Oh. Obi a wo peja ne handkerchief ye Ewrade mani nya sika pa. Ni awawu na wasaye. So far as you are alive.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Fataye yo, aye yisena, one from mane. One from man, aye yisena, one from man. Yame grandma fate to make, and chum sena, one from mano. One from man, and chum sena, one from man. Yes, one from chum, and chum sena, one from mano. One from man, and chum sena, one from man. Yame fataye yo.
The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies and my foes who will stumble and fall. Though an army besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. One thing I ask from the Lord God Almighty, this only do I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord and to seek him in his holy temple. For in the day of trouble, he will keep me safe in his dwelling. He will hide me in the shelter of his sacred tent and set me high upon a rock. Then my head will be exalted above the enemies who surround me. At his sacred tent, I will sacrifice with shouts of joy. I will sing and make music to the Lord. I don't pray. Radia Sandian Quache, Ababium for God and Country, the 27th day of June 2023. It's a brand new Tuesday morning. I don't pay. And of course, I will take it again. Reading the book of Psalm 27, the verse 1 down. So I'll repeat myself. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Eradene me haine me nkwaje na hwan kura na minsuro no. Anopa mi bisa obiom. Se eradene wo haine wo nkwaje a hwan na wo besuro no. Eka. Amane obi hurehura so obedi wani. Obi hurehura so obetete wo. Obi bo hanya. Se wo oma wani nye wa abrabom. Ose wo oma wani nye wa waware na se. Ose wo oma wani nye e wo suku na wo kɔ no. Ose oma wani nye e wa asɔre ni mu. Ose oma wani nye wo kuro ni mu. Ose akwantuo na watimi atu no. Watu kwan ne de nanso nya ade obɛmo wani age. Anopai, I have come to tell you this morning. The Lord is your light and your salvation. And the simple question I am asking, whom shall you fear? Eradene wo haine wo nkwaje a hwan na wo besuro no. Eradene wo fapem kese. Eradene wo pampim kese. Eradene wo twere botan. Eradene wo haine wo nkwaje. Eradene wo botan a wo de ho to so a ade nyina dibu a anopa hwan na wo besuro no. If the Lord is the stronghold of your life, wa brabo fapem enkwa ekura wo no. Sene fapem ni Awurade a anopa mi bisa o hwan na wo besuro no. Wo besuro de coronavirus ana den wo besuro de unsuro hwe. Ain't you say? When the wicked advance against me to devour me. Na so obonefo no prehwehwe se wo beje me kra. Obonefo no prehwehwe se wo baba betete mabrabo a. And I'm said the Lord is the stronghold of my life. Ain't it? I have the belief and trust and hope in God. Say obonefo ni ntumi nhwehwe mpre meje me kra mfiri me nsem. Nia all power bom me kra mu se dompe. The one who is after my life, seeking my life to devour. The question we are asking simply: when the wicked advance against me to devour me, it is my enemies and my foe who will stumble. They will stumble and fall. Wamube shiti nombe shiase. Wamube shintio nombe shiase. They will stumble and fall. Obe poli adofom. That is it. Obe poli na wa tofom. Anopai. They will stumble and fall. That is it. Though an enemy besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though my enemy, my tamfo, wamutimi beto sheme so, na se omu beto sheme so si obe sunsuan me. Ewuradinti, yare ni ntimi nkame nto fom. Ewuradinti, eka ni ntimi nkame nto fom. Ewuradinti, enimguase ntome. Ewuradinti, eja ntomi fie ho. Ewuradinti, ensuo nyiri mfame. Ewuradinti, menimu ngu aseda. Though an army besiege me, my heart, makoma, ensuro. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. I say into kwampo no ne de beto ahye so a eya na enye the physical war we are talking about, the spiritual war. Anopai obi ne war a war fight eya war or power waya wenya bi, that is the war. Obi pe juma, that is your war. Waya wenya juma ni bi, that is your war. Minim ni eda wakoma so minim ni awohwehwe minim baabi a wo minim baabi a ewo senka saa brei awurade nhihye mu nka waduru a wunduru ho eno ne the war a wo fighting. But the good news I have for you this morning, and it says awurade wo no ne wo han ne wo nkwaje and it we dum nyina be koso nanso so otiasefo nyankopon a wono na obo soro ne asase ponsuo gbawia wono na emere ne nna nyina hye ne nsa wono na wotimi kire sensuo nto awia mo ensuo jaato awia nsu jaabo sa nyankopon na wo bo ade na ohyehyɛ ne saa na eso ba mfaso de ma ne ma no sa nyankopon na wo kan ho e wo Jesus ya wotie mu e wo Jesus ya kan ho na eyire so sire so seden oye nyankopon ya oba nyankopon ya onkrunkru nyankopon abusia eni je semne bo hye ne se onwu ye nimu aseda obehwe yen so obedum yen obeboa yen okan yen ho omre yen yo sanka urade wa bre yen yank ye koda enra no nka ya nsori anopai nti anopai me dofo ka bibi kire urade wate the radial says why you now walking kind the verse 4 now ehon na me do ehon na me de tie o say 110 ade ba ko pe na me sorry bia me bom pa yesre urade o say 110 I ask from the Lord, this only do I seek. We ni ade ba ko pe me dofo we ni ade ba ko pe wo se won so kra e prehwehwe o se ade ba ko pa me hwehwe di firi mi nyankopon enchen eno pene ne me kra prehwehwe that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life. May it never be the story that I was swapped from the house of God. For what? Worldly things. It will never be the story. It will never be my story. Neither that will be your story. We will continue to dwell in the presence of the Lord. We will continue to dwell in the house of the Lord. You know why? Because in the house of the Lord is abundance of liberty. In the house of the Lord there is joy, there is happiness, there is breakthrough. That is why the devil is wrestling with you, just to get you out from the presence of the Lord. Because omunim say okoswa tena sorry dem ho. Omunim say okoswa ye Pentecost ni a. Omunim say okoswa ye CAC ni a. Omunim say okoswa ye Methodist ni. Omunim say okoswa tena sa efie ho no mo a. There will be a certain cover from God Almighty. They will try and try and try and try. They will never get you. That is why try so just to get you out of the presence of God. Because they know say the more the more and I will enjoy the blessings and the protection, divine protection from God Almighty. Therefore, they are doing everything humanly possible just to get you out of the presence of God. But I know pay the only thing that we are praying, the only thing that we are seeking God, the only thing that we ask of the Lord is that He will help us to continually dwell in the presence and the house of God. And I don't know what can separate me from God? What can take away the joy of God, the love of God from me? Is it worldly things? He began to mention them. What's the baby anyhow? I don't pay. I dear Bacope, and the Yabo home pie. What it said the beer radebemo and who they said the beer radebemo not drum, said the beer radebemo what's not in say, said the beer over sorry, I come pie, said the beer odo a brabo betnas, no a braba a tusha, a braba nan on a poor ekan 17, or send a moon family pediani see one almost for a buchia, a foria a tusha, a foria tusha. I don't pay. I urge you once again. Say try your possible best and live a righteous life. And try God on this and see if He will not open the doors of heaven and bless you.
What shall I render to you?
And I know someone a DVD can know. Because now onim the benefit a woman say you will be in the house of God. And into or say, I dear back up one thing that I ask from the Lord, that I or Boa Bao Fori Amanfo may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life.
You save my soul, and I'm forever grateful.
And it was what I was saying, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord, to gaze, the beauty of the Lord in the presence of God. No, I can inhale it, I can, see it, I can gaze it, I can stare at it. The beauty of the Lord, and say peace. The beauty of the Lord, a joy. The beauty of the Lord, a testimony. The beauty of the Lord, a glory. The beauty of the Lord, a breakthrough. The beauty of the Lord. That is what the devil has seen. And therefore, trying everything just to drive you out from the presence of God. But anopay. Yebedin kodi mama yana me fancy na fe me fe wie mo brand sam fanto asom fama wa no pay mi jawo de wa short asifo nyankopon nsa mi jawo de wa she je nyankopon nsa mi jawo de wa she oba nyankopon nsa mi jawo de wa she onkronkron nsa na masere ne se wonko so anhwe so wonwen wo a wo ho emma sem yebe musu esan mane o hawo mi hu yanka osun ye jadwo eka amane ka kwanhia Eradi yini nyina free womaso na show ho anuonyam why ye bi dada enti ya brain so be ye enye ya brain so na be gu ho animu ase ya bi da ewie mo bra se ni be sia call Abusuafo ma me fan to asem from me kan chiro sa no pay empue man tem ya yahodo bi no ya de ma uti so hwe wie mu a broni say aye cloudy na je say ensuo no amunemu na kakra na o kire say be koye saa e free anopa yi akosi anwumre na emom awia bremu no mpotem ahodo bi na awia de betwe ne ti bat awia na ho de nhye ni soro ya na wa hye ne nso said ye ndre ye no sa pepepe ne nso ebe ye anunti ya na wa hye ne nso e de amame ewie mbobre ne tofa bom ena madaro mame de ama wo ne fiti anopa ekosi anwumre no ya dia ensuo ni be munemu na awia no apie kakra na ensuo na san mu na sa na be ye ya anunti ya na wa hye ne nso me da si wie mbobre se ne ebesa ko ne demu no ena madaro ma ye di mu amane edi amawo eye nso anu ahye ne nso de ama me se show no edin eda so ene maache ofre me obuwo ba ofori amanfo ahobrasiem me ena me di dom anim na me di Ghana fo nyina nso so anim baabi biara radio yi ahoden ekopem yegya mu nyina de hye agye nyankopon ne nsa se onim dada se apamo no waba be ka ho bi eni nti yema akwabo anto aso emfa mayen.
Can somebody make a joyful noise unto the Lord? This is the Lord at work. There is no one than the Lord at work. This is the Lord at work, oh my brother.
There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
This is the Lord at work, oh my sister.
There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
There is no one.
Ghana adisiye. Omo ofore amanfo emam aten ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
There is no one.
There is no one. There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
I tried many spirits powers to know our fellow. Then you ventured into my life and you made me whole again. Not only did you give me peace, but you restored my joy and hope. Abba Father, now you be the one. After all many spirits powers to know our fellow, then you ventured into my life and you made me whole again. Not only did you give me peace, but you restored my joy and hope. Abba Father, now you be the one. This is the Lord at work, oh my brother.
There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
I say this is the Lord at work, oh my sister.
There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
There is no one.
There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
There is no one.
There is no one. There is no one than the Lord at work. There is no one.
Listen, sing a song of victory. Shout aloud unto the Lord, who's like the living God. Yahweh is for us, and love is faithfulness. Our lives has been restored. Hallelujah, we are blessed. Yahweh, Yahweh is for us. Hey! Sing a song of victory. Shout aloud unto the Lord, who's like the living God. Yahweh, Yahweh is for us, and love is faithfulness. Our lives has been restored. Hallelujah, we are blessed. Yahweh, Yahweh is for us.
He
is every faithful prayer. He's watching.
Ghana adisiye. Omo ofore amanfo emam aten ediba ahenkan 93.3 FM.
The highest heaven is blessings flow to the end of the earth. His people know Yahweh is for.
Okay. Erunti asemwa endra ye shase no ene ye to aso share nso fa mame Maakye streaming live from our national studios here Akuya Afrakoma precisely yewo achim abo wabo ene Presby Primary School no eyina ne wa asase ba akoso omo ase ho ene ye wo soro ha no mo o mama kwan enti akire ha dwudin
Jesus, you're my firm foundation.
me pacho obefa Bible no afi agbo eremu asem wa yede nam no so onim dada
day.
We are talking about the grace of God causing people to remember you, the grace of God falling on you to change the story, the narrative. We are talking about the grace of God that is going to cause people to run to you. Why? Because you know what? Sometimes we try so hard just to make sure that we better our lives personally. But I don't pay. Niyama ba me kan kire on say, memo wa bemu mu say wo obe better our life. Yire wo ho. Say your opportunity as school opportunity wenya. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. Ku school no. Eye adwuma and wenya no so don't joke with it. But ne kase pa no. Ewe urade ho. Sanse na no ye kan say ye urade na mani pa ye den. It is God who giveth power to make wealth. It is a urade amfa ma wo a. Obe wa fam de batemfa. But I don't pay the maba me kan kire won say. Urade se wa ye prepared. Wa boa no ho. Se obe hye nkrofo na awatwi. Ama omo aba behunu mobo. Urade se wa ye krado na awatwi. Obra wa bre enisu a wasuo adwumaden a wo ye no. Awurade se me meka nkire obi a otie mi anopa yi se wo a wo biri wo mogya ni e de apira hwehwe yedie wo a wo ye wa fam de se ne be ya awurade enso ebe hyira wo no anopa yi o se me meka nkire wo se obese na bofo ama omo de adom ato so a ebe manipa kai wo endra na me ne wo edi nkomo endra na me kan sam bi kire wo se ye woni pa bi wo no mo a omo ya de pa na so adwuma wo mu mpo they don't recognize them. Adwuma wo mu no they don't realize their hard work eno na e push adwuma no community na omo wo mu no people hardly recognize the sacrifices they are making just to make sure say there is peace and tranquility in the community. But anopai I have come to tell you who are utie mi anopai onyankopon soma me onchen honkonkron message ya awurade nam ne so de aba wo se ye ne wo enimu enkomo ne say the Lord will cause his grace for people to remember you. The grace of God will cause more people to come to your aid. The grace of God will cause you to be remembered. Ecclesiastes chapter 9, the verse 14. And I yebedi honkomo. And I'm saying any asofo na nanti achinti. We know the plight some of the pastors they go through. And I would want to be on record to have said, say, ye were genuine pastors, e were Ghana ha, uye unhu bida, mime hu bida. Uyi se binimu adanim pateku, ababe fremu nua, ye were genuine pastors, e were Ghana ha, ye were genuine prophets, e were Ghana ha, ye were genuine apostles, e were Ghana ha, ye were genuine teachers, e were Ghana ha, ye were genuine evangelists, e were Ghana ha, ye were genuine bishops, archbishops, e were Ghana ha. Despite the fact say yenya impateku abefrem, so bolofo no abefrem, adwongofo no abefrem, eburamusuofo no abefrem, jenefo no abefrem, omo eton oil green, white, yellow, black, omo abefrem. Ewomu say yesu mojafo no so ne namu de, but yet ye were genuine men of God e were Ghana ha. Now abra any genuine men of God ni bi nam no, mi hun say bebre no a ebre. Osofo bi betumi aye akonkyere ne mpaibo. I remember those days. Yes, sorry ahomache ne ye bo mpaia. Osofo no maye mmom mpaia mfa maye hu. He won't allow us to pray for our personal development. But Obeka Chen said no. The church supposed to prosper. And when we are praying for the church, we are praying for the members of the church. The members are the church. Members no normally are sorry no. enti osofo bi me agina enan so abom paye saa blow tonso ne saa time I be sorry kopim sa ade beche. We are praying for the success of the members of the church. We are praying for the members to enjoy God's blessings. We are praying. We will stand and pray and pray and pray. All in the name of Yepesa Asore Mano Edi Ye. Na obere so for te form na all buttons utumu se wa bre na nso so se Awurade hyira me mayo Awurade hyira me mayo Awurade ba bibia obi wo sa bre nyo na mama nemu sa bre no wada wo hi nkro mo mentohwe. But we have this genuine men of God upon all these sacrifices that they are making just to see that their members are prospering. Asori meyi wo mutiri mu denden tisi wo wuo. Asori mani tiri mu den. Omo enya bibi am omo asekura mpo a omo se gya abo ne kro no omo se gya keka nsem de good osofo ho. Afori e bonyo osofo ne yiri na edie. Ene agye so ma hunu osofo ne yiri asesa taare yanka. Ye sika ne ho akire no. Wanya bibi am ase gya abo ne kro no. Osofo, you know why you are going through all this? To me, I call it tribulations. Unim the entire will go through that turbulence, no? Because adumwa emanipa ehunu obre ene wo sacrifices senya ukun ho edema no sa adumni nyanto so wabra adomino eto David so na wo se ono na Awurade fa no mani bedi hene no. When you read the book of 1 Samuel chapter 16 downwards, God caused Samuel, prophet Samuel, na okacheni say, go into the house of Jesse. There is a young man there. Time adumini nyantoni so no. Enti, are you telling me say all the sacrifices that David was making on the wilderness, no? Na I mean, are you telling me say na ni maami unhuni e, na ni papa unhuni e, na ni nyani mu unhuni e. Enti na ni nyani mu unhuni say, this guy is a warrior. Obi a utumi attack tiger, lion, na we onu ankasa e devour with ne bare hands. Are you telling me say entini maame ne papa ni nuanom na they didn't know say someone who possesses this character no or a warrior? Oni mi di entia na adom eme nipa kai nipa na oye na doye no na enyanto David so. But Bible me ati say there was a time it got to his turn for God to remember him. So he caused the grace to fall on him. And they remembered David. Listen to me. Ecclesiastes chapter 9, the verse 14. This one also talks about a certain man. Ana owo kro ketua bi mu kro kuma bi mu. Hwe enkrofo yes sacrifices o. Enkrofo ku onhu but enkrofo nkai. Ono boss nam o bre wo ho ahu in the name of 4% adwuma no gina yi but won kai wo enye ono a. E was a dum bi to so a se wo hwe wanimu a se ne na no ebisi ye Exodus chapter 2 the verse 2 Bible say wabra Moses ye wo no wo ye se wo koto no kura to akene na wabra ohen ne ba no konsuo ne ho a wo fa akwada no a ohwe nanim no. The grace of God fell on the child, the young child, the little child. The grace of God that caused people to remember good things and realize talents in them, no? Bible say Awurade Nyankopɔn ema ohene ne baba no saw that giftings, saw that potentials. Na Bible say princess no loved the little child and decided to adopt him. Oni bi enti awobre adumini nyanto so. Adumine nyanto so but anope sa adumine beto so ama nipa be kai wo bre Sa adom ne beto so ama ware na se ye bekae wo. Adom ne beto so ama wukunu bekae wo na waye bibi papa bi di ama wo. Wakae se me yere me ne na bre eni nti minchiti me nkofa oba foforo ewo me yiri achi ewo se ukunu ekae wo ewo se o yire ekae wo na ohunu se me kunu me ne na bre. We have gone through the thing and time. Enti se nyankopon adom na wato me nsem at this time me kae me kunu e ma no so nyame timi hira mo eja mo kunu. Enti so when yours comes me remfi ukunu e brene ma me ho kwan nyankopon ya adom wo chena. We will have time and talk about this. Ecclesiastes chapter 9 the verse 14. Enti be the amount before a chena ye beba ne aba be di ho nkomo no uwo fie hyase na ekenkan. The grace of God ema enipa ehunu nia waye na ode so aseda ebre wo no na oma opportunity no Awurade Nyankopon bema atɔ so na wa hyew animonyam. The grace of God that cause people to remember, to see good things. Sa domono eno na mesra ma na awotwe we. Oniema na efe. But enkrofo ebegiregyina ho a no makwa koto ba ko no apro no. You know why? E was say omo enya the grace of visibility. Adomo a emani pa hunu bibi a ohu. Na otumi eba beto wo de no. You need that grace. And this week we will talk about it. Erade asumdwe nkan ho. Na domo no so mfa ma ofre me obo ba. Ofori amanfo ye the sports to aso mu wi a besan ba. Na fe di aka nyina ye di abeto ato aso e di ama. Enyi fidie ni mfiri ha no mo. Na koso a e kan ye ho. Sports up next. This
is the moment we're waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, it's sports time!
Adesima magana mamba enanopai mayemmo bibia kwa baso nkubiu embra Ahenkan 93.3 so yatena sia gudie mu nsa enanopai yedi Asia midin yedi Joshua Kwabena ejenim obrempan wo pokuare enso ewa ha afe Yosef Ajiri eboa from afar Raymond ahyete wura tena fe Beni Tomauli yenyina kan tiabo magudie mu nsam yedi Asia ene anopai mayemfa sida Emma Jubilee Hospital maso yasen emeda gudie mu nsam no enso Asia na de tienie ebia oyare ho dodo pe papa age ayare saye mo yare wanyina atu ayira eno ene Jubilee Hospital oban fa no yare ebia etete no doctors na nurse for ebegina so ahwe mo yare wanyina enso ayira ebia lab na peso yaba yebebo afa eduro na peso to a eduro peso to bia no pharmacy kese a eduro bia wo mbia benya bi no ato na oda kosa ho enso yare afa ebia wo na continental ke na peso yebi wa fafro unya problems bi concerning pregnancy na oba ebetimi aboa afa postnatal care enso oho akwara na duane diemu se na esi eteni weight no ekosei oba sancheche no yede be ma theater enso surgery bi na so operation na peso ya BPM na fe yembo osa ekwan ne so maternity enso aba sanso peso twa scanner ye ultrasound any easy scanner aba scan bia bi yedi twa bi enso ewo yakache ya de bi achi usuro fari so bedu nkomo ede achire onua ade bi chiri wajonso fa bedan ye cancer unit no na ndom embedi ensa oswe afe wani ena ohwa dia unhu ade bema unhu ewachira unhu a wanhwe ntu asetem ochina bi de ho kese pa ena be bro be piem ye eye clinic na infidie ahyemu ma wani yare nyina no ye de san ntempa so ede amam fre no pa bia no nchechire enso ekoso ede ma diabetes ene hypertension fo no we fre no pa bia na san nchechire no enso ekoso kanti wo ho oberin papa atode de na pomdin ewom atode a be piem Jubilee Hospital na fe beto bi ati na bibia nso enko fine enfa emma obona kita insurance so dia ye beje na ya hwe ye wo hwe chi akwan Danbabo Road Amantra Bridge ne so honum ene wo 0244 575799 0244 575799 and 0241 784645 now near Eddie Nkomo.
Afe yensha efien seminase yensha se dia yensha se free under 20 the Black Satellite of Ghana on say almost tournament no eba so e Ivory Coast abonte so e wafu zombie na se Cup of Nation na etodwa na menu ka se the coach Samuel Bodo ene mrante no eni bretimi aba enu awura mu opramprama enya semketoa esa se tournament no nyame adama 7th July ena sa tournament no eba so na Ghana ye wo group A na group A no ye ne na se Ivory Coast host nation ewo ho Burkina Faso ewo ho Ghana ewo ho ena Benin ewo ho se na medican kan nyame adama 7th July ena se jumede no eba so na nu na se the Black Satellite of Ghana ebo anyokofa kansie wo mo to nsa de for Right to Dream Academy e mo di game no e hyehyɛ so game ni bawie no na obi a hye ne nyonko e ka baako a me no ka se the preparation no papa friend Samuel Body se bibia ekoye na nyame adoma na se ochena na awotwe na se ochin ukoni na awotwe e na team no ebebu na ketem e de free Ghana na free on the money echem e wo ya mosi krom Ivory Coast no makwa se na se tournament no Ghana ye betimi age e de si ya beti eso
yempiemu our former Ghana Football Association Vice President Mr. Eya Akwesi Afriye osanso edobo as eneno na se Eya National U20 chairman afino sanso chairman de Black Stars committee uloni chima osanso Eya juvenile committee no sanso edomano as chairman uloni chima no sanso ewo Eya Liberty na afi subibi na se den ochiman planners mino ka se de papa na akasa odin same da babo ntia o chire mu se na se Ghana Football Association abato na ebaso no odin ho esi wo no se nie no mpanifo nkoto no swaba no so o serve as president and so from Ghana Football Association or say administrators, players, coaches, fans, media, public nya ya kambo Ghana football no ebetima yi na se betima yi dia jiso no ene nipa obedi enim timinu ka se de dia Mr. George Akwesi Afriye ono so announce se ne no obegina mafe GF aba no ya to no so aba na bibia nso akoye nti nsema papa ne din ede George Akwesi Afriye enso ede ejayen.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is George Akwesi Afriye, a former vice president of the Ghana Football Association. Ghana football has always thrived when all stakeholders, administrators, players, coaches, fans, the media, the public, and all are united with a shared purpose and a common vision. It is crucial that at this time of our football, we come together as a family, setting aside personal agendas, interests, and work towards a common goal. Together, we build bridges, heal wounds, forge a united front that will propel our football to new heights. As I announce my candidature for the presidency of Ghana Football Association in the upcoming elections, I am filled with great sense of responsibility and enthusiasm. I am fully convinced with my wealth of experience, a burning passion for Ghana football, and a clear vision for its restoration. I believe that the time has come for Ghana football to be led by a unifier, someone who has a greater appreciation of grassroots football development and world competence to deliver the set goals.
We a former Ghana Football Association Vice President no sanso serve as chairman Elman National Juvenile Committee no na se ono so announce inti udo ono be kan ho a Kurt Okraku afe Kojo Yanka ene George Afriye nipa miensa no matwomuti se GFA abato a ebas no ombegina ama ya tom so aba
afe yanko hasofok oya hasofok fana masa yi wasone and Felix na no pay medi bibiri brel His Royal Majesty togbe afede ono ene se hasofok ono ene team sisi de obo ho ka enya asem ketwa na nu awura mu ewo trade fair na enya asem ketwa emergency meeting etimi koso na ese togbe afede otimi ko bi afi alaja kan bi etimi koi afi papa efan Vincent Odotei wono so etimi ko mpanifo bebri ene nu amko pie meeting na se na se enya asem ketwa ewo meeting na se na de di kan house of folk so omso be fa CEO timi no kase nipa miensa ene mpanifo do mudin ahye dem se enche omba be CEO ene ma house of folk na se house of folk pre-season no nyame adoma 14th July according to His Royal Majesty togba afede or see 14th July and a house of folk so ebe start on pre-season no e Ghana na no ameno kase meeting na se no na say dimbi timi by players ni bindi bi by de di kan e brate fan Samson Duku osi aka ne Matamala City yesi togba afede na ni abriye pa afa Richard Asale esi akan edema Samates wono so ni din etimi by afa France twene esi akan edema Bechem United ni din etimi by and oda Kotokuro as player ba kwa ya fan Prince Kwame Dogwe one also His Royal Majesty Togo Afede sa brante no na ese House of Folk emonitan ye pa enya sem ketwa na unu se nche na beto dwa se papa efa no coach Prosper Nate Ogum ebeto dwa so baba House of Folk coach enu a edimba ko etodwa eye papa ye fa no ano worker me no kasa ono na papa efa no His Royal Majesty Togo Afede boni din se House of Folk eni na din komasie ama brante no kwade waka yes e de kira House of Folk so ono na ano worker no oba be adwuma no e de ama House of Folk boboko no na ne eni omo former player papa efa no Stanley Afezi edin komo eni se Stanley ya tete se House of Folk ekofa ano worker bi se Prosper Nate Ogum no so da bi se adwuma no se ebetimi de ama papa efa no David Oklo nyama no 1 year de aka ho esa se David no woni ne adwuma e wo Liberty Professional or experience papa no sensua de ne House of Folk nyama ba kumienu e na nkwa ye bet so de adwuma no e ma David Oklo obetimi abadwuma ye ntie se ma Stanley Afezi former House of Folk player no e de etuja
because my expectation because but I quite remember say your interview the last match and say or can be say na quality of the team is not so good until be about the well I will not be much disappointed so clean to me and for Hassan but I'll say when Yambri this vacancy when Yambri but the word is I'll end up with say I'm not disappointed well okay see a man opportunity this year but me as I continue as a head coach to me me Juma Liberty me very confident say obichima yejuma but has no being a big team like us no it involves a lot mostly no you who say technical issues but sometimes no it's beyond technical issues say them can so can be say quality of the team was not enough and it is true has team no quality no is down India still believe say can menya mbere amana kan man 1 year kan wa I think say nkobetimi aye team wa transform team and I think so because we are very good Osuya de Panti is very good.
Eti former House of Folk player papa efan Stanley Afezi eno de ensam no efa papa efan David Oklo
Yempiemu our African Cup of Nations U23 na se egusu ekoso enso our Morocco memuno na enem yadia 2 games na ebaso Congo Brazzaville betena se na oni Guinea edi abo ni sanso na Morocco enso ene Ghana enso edbe tam so later the day Lawrence Mark no se Black Meteors omo head coach and team enso edi Ibrahim Tanko onso kasaka kra edi afa gamer na so mo Morocco ebo no omo se game against Congo Brazzaville ne de including ekode momo na omo hwa nim omo hwa videos ene no omo Congo boy no ni omo ye ni omo anje ni ye na for repression no so no omo di ehia Morocco enso ewo Afcon na ekoso ewo Morocco no emu ye ntie nsema papa ndin edi Ibrahim Tanko head coach edi Ghana Black Meteors edi ejaye.
We will watch what we did well and what we didn't well and then we prepare for the next game. We hope that the stadium will be full and both teams won. Yeah, we are going to prepare. As I said earlier, both of us want to win, so we are going to prepare well. At the end of the match, we will have a very good result.
We Ibrahim Tanko we na the deputy captain and so Danlad Ibrahim on goalkeeper and so the Ghana Black Meteors on so chema enra na press up no and so etimi akoso papa no echemu say dia omo ehwanim se nkunimdie no so betimi akọ e amaga no preparation or camp there na so my preparation or camp no munim say game so mutimi di nkunim qualification no enya ba ne sa o say pressure bia any camp omo hwanim se nkunimdie no and so ebetimi aba na ebesi o game no mu bia enanwumre no yasida eno de bema erade yentie nsema Danlad Ibrahim enso de ejaye.
We are very prepared as we won our first game. All of us won the first game. Probably it will be a nice game tomorrow, and for the players, we are very prepared, and also we are going all out for the game, and we know the outcome of the game will determine the qualification for both teams. So in camp we are cool, no pressure. We are just coming out to give our best, and inshallah what comes in, we give thanks to Almighty Allah.
We deputy captain Edema Ghana U23 osansu dem as goalkeeper Edema Black Meteors.
Yenwura mu Kumasi Asante Kotoko na yekodi nkomo kakra sense de House of Folk nsama ba esi etimi Kotoko ni yekodi nkomo unu se nche His Royal Majesty otumfuo setutu nyame adoma next week ekọ obeton sa de fe board no na fe 3 years odi ma board na kubu akonta e de akere nana afi so ko wie na mubu akonta na hwe na ne ma nko yedia na se obaji ni team anu age onyi ni team su dia na fe de nana de beba no na odi aba pa na wura mu Kumasi Asante Kotoko se de papa e fa no coach Kwasi Apia no a na yensensem de todwa Kumasi se Kwasi Apia no aka yes anopa ye bomu enso wura Kwasi Apia na se ne camp ekodi komo yes eyampa se ne ame aduma se next coach oba Kumasi Asante Kotoko no the Blasters of Ghana former coach Kwasi Apia wono ena babe Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach ne yesi papa no kra no start frefre Kotoko players ni bi ene o ha Steve Mukwala na Kwasi Apia no afrew o ha Richie Buadu Gadas o ha ne afrew na me no kase Kumasi Asante Kotoko na so ubrema abrante fan of na yesi former Blasters of Ghana striker Richmond Boachi Yadom yesi Kwasi Apia ni na di nkomo si yesi Kwasi yi me so me ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko ti blind na bejeje ni mo bia oni Steve Mukwala eti former Blasters of Ghana striker ayasa abrante fan Richmond Boachi Yadom Kotoko ni edi nkomo enno so amature enso wura mu Kotoko secretariat ekohia mpanifo so no opeso retire ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko mpanifo ma no 1 year bi no timi mo Kumasi Asante Kotoko enno amature so ekowura mu Kotoko na mse Kotoko the players ne ka boso miensa na no na papa efa Dr. Kwame Chen board chairman se ne obehia na ne yamponsa na fe 3 months na mo di players ne ka no omahwe no matua bibia enso etimi ede afruwa enye asam ketwa enso ho afi last one na fe kwamra dia Kumasi Asante Kotoko abrante bi si akan ede ma Kumasi Baseball King Faisal ye fan Babayala kula is the champion age kula ya da abrante no endra Babayala enso kohia na ne yamponsa ema me no kase ne komadidie no enso astarte koswa na is abrante fan Babayala enso betime awura mu Kotoko na George Mfege me no kase ahilafo enso nkrofo ba dru Ghana ha on be hia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na fe George Mfege Kotoko ringa no na se komadidie no so etimi akoso se omutimi ahwe na se Kumasi Asante Kotoko sika na omope no ahilafo etimi tua abrante fe George Mfege eba kusia kan adama ahila bobuko no
Charles Banier Sampon Taylor dodo na friend Charles Taylor ono so akasa kakra e de afa Ghana Black Meteors captain Daniel Banier free ye ho o sa abrante ne ball na obo mfie bi atwam no afie de as we lose focus na do ni chema focus na we lose pitch so na e ade a ha abrante ne paye intubeka Ghana your first game or AFCON ni mo no against Congo Brazzaville no second half na abrante benya konya ensia kan from Ghana bio na Chasela chema focus na abrante no we lose advisor Chastela Edma Banier ni
we pray and say edu mlebi na wa wan hia won den a timudebe ma all lose focus nya what I say because ade bi wo ha unya bi da unya e ma wadwene ko different way e kire wo say ade na menya e kura me kura e o sisi ade manya kura me o de betum bi emfa me ho ebi na ya free ba ne so what I say time I so struggle na obobo no apa ho ama sisi a the team one the more enti afa bibia say easy football enya ne sa we footballer na say afa bibia easy a ebegu ani wase all you focus on the field at times no free no free baby enama eba because in sense work with yeska unhu bi da wo ka wo fie woni broni ebegbo under 70 obekọ ani waja wa wo one ne boy because all focus there nyesika na odi akire all you focus on the field so when you obi amanas ansake no more you be who worse more than this say ansake afre banya wo do ha be hu bi ne de no kra be total worse
we Charles Banier Sampon Taylor advice na nso dem abranti andin Daniel Banier free na egusu advice man no ade Nuruddin Mohammed enso former general captain edema Achim Dan Kodokurias ono nso advice akọ edema Kodokurias players a ombaje pinesi akan ewo division 1 league no emo
na puto kakra me be ma mennuano ma aka Kotokuroyas and says player the season and more nhwe de ato yen no ma be mu embu e bia na de ato yen no and the two team no se Kotokuroyas empenin for e de ayesua de nti no player bia be ba Kotokuroyas na mo wo ho mo be toa team no so ama yen a ye team no omo fa akomapa na omo ndwin omo daachi ho more than team na omo bo no because team no ebetimi disappoint you anytime until say odwen o future ho say na make na obema anytime bia no obobo na do team na obo by obo ma o future o pese wo nko wanim until time on time no obehwe ho suye eniema nketinketin bia nkofa problem embre uni team no after so so omo obo a omo hwe omo ho suye ni pra because if you Ghana no e pra na say on tanka football ho bi so meka chom so munya akoma pampan to Kotokuroyas no Mozambo Kotokuroyas sem yetimi bua ma oyedi timi ba Premier League no
we Nuruddin Mohammed general captain Achim Dan Kotokuroyas
na eno na me no ka se the Stanley Affairs so tu asofofo okache house for say kwa mo fa so enso eyo mo transfer no enyenyenye kura esan se obeti se bia brante bi si akan e wo second division na house folk adrimi ka no makofa brante no o se emre bi atwam no ye ka se house folk akofa player dia free team media ba un say yes players no onimbo ne bo o se nka first ne pa na nka hwe house folk players no musi akan a ka supporters ni kwa ewura mu e wo pobi ma akọ supporter akọ players no kwa twoma pie se masa momone mo enso ni yenti se ma former house folk player no so advisor wode ama house folk kwa mo fa so esensan omo players.
Recruitment no more will have to book is not the best to me. They say has in Jiska, all right, when Jiska go to be a hot meter player be our Ghana. But Biza won't say a day in players and I decided say since they will prefer to play Mediama, Ediana and other teams dreams than to say be on Magic to connect us to. Also one in Zusan because Uber has to folk bear 3-4 years now to mean to coin. And I say Ubenya contract now, you bet you watching one son and now because Mediama and I say dreams. Baby so simple I'm on to me to bet you say academy boy be has a cotton. Second division player has a cotono. Third division player has a cotono. These people they are already the tax of house of folk. Sure. Senka first nimpo na ke training or arrows. Training or bitch na no center na. Come here sure senka be kwa train so a players be brief training ground almost mukio.
89 a former house of folk player Stanley Afezi ni nkoma no pay odija no.
Yawo Pon Sports Ventures battery now part of spring alternator radiator front bumper any bonnet now pair ties shock absorbers azles afi wiper blade dashboard door handles and as a light dia remove all yawo upon Sports Ventures we car owner and as we driver now per car no spare part dia yawo upon Sports Ventures SBB na enso aba odan EPL haya na so odan baburu dia so honum na obohue ye no kwafro block factory no na ebo nhwenim 024 7376 2324 024 376 2324 and 024 615 7706 now on your point Sports Ventures Edinkomo
afi yankwa ama no na afi taw yansole yankwa de yansha se fi Chelsea abrante fan Hakim Ziyech mino kasenra wawuro mo Cristiano Ronaldo ni team Al-Nassr 3 years contract abrante fan Hakim Ziyech enso fi Chelsea ono so adwane Al-Nassr bobo
Luka Modric reporter ba no say Madrid for unim say this year na kan contract on Madrid wono yaba na wie ye abrante 37 years and already reporter ba say Madrid I extend abrante contract 1 year eda kan
ejebo timi abedu Ike Gundogan mino ka say Barcelona player na afie bia no beji 9 millions na say euros and dia guni botuma say the Barca omanya Ike Gundogan ono so adwane bobuku no
former Chelsea player ni dia de Denis Zakaria no sia kan Rema Juventus Chelsea kofan on loan mino ka say the West Ham for some kofa Branton aba back or EPL because ni na say Declan Rice no we free West Ham kopie mo team fufuru
na Chelsea so mino ka say jebo timi abedu Villarreal am striker for Nicholas Jackson Chelsea ni na wie 35 million euros Chelsea tua Edama Villarreal say abrante for Nicholas Jackson a Chelsea player
afa Declan Rice and see abrante osia kan Edema West Ham United boko no onim say a lot of class ni dia abrante echi reporter Urban say see the confirmed Manchester City 80 million pounds plus 10 million add-ons na count the remu our West Ham na me say the say Arsenal by 48 hours so encounter sa bid no na be bian so akoye Edema West Ham
na PSG me no ka say the abrante bi sia kan ma ban ya fan Lucas Hernandez na abrante no kwado ne team e fan PSG awie na no na PSG o mo trust ne say kwabra o mo presence abrante fan Lucas Hernandez no o sia kan ni Olympic Marseille na Olympic Marseille so unu so mo so ni PSG enka enti PSG all trust ne say nya don be pre Emma Brighton Lucas Hernandez every Bayern Aberdeen PSG boboko no
Chelsea and Brighton and Hove Albion Moses Caicedo dia na say agreement no full agreement no Chelsea atiase akaso mbetua 80 million pounds Edema Brighton na fe Moses Caicedo Chelsea kofa na fi Brighton be pie mu Chelsea
na Kai Havertz so enno a the first medical Edema team e fa no Arsenal me no kase wa pass nyame adem ne obe ne second medical no so otimi pass pe abrante no eso be sign contract no Edema Arsenal the Gunners boboko no
Arsenal sell 41.5 million pounds omni Rome or Ajax Amsterdam omu defender ba kun dia de Julian Timber Omisa Branton omhwe ball no ball Holland no be piem Arsenal betimi aboa ma bia so etimi akoye edi ama Arsenal boboko
me no ka say Saudi Arabia for say da bisika no manya no omo fa hye mema no kwa football no nemum ema no so football no omo yi 10 million euros ene ya hye ema no football no say do wlemo Saudi Arabia ema no football ni mo ayede mema no de no so mo ayeda say hwa no bia so edi nani e kire
ya de Saudi Arabia ewie na Riyad Mahrez report ebanse next targets Edema Saudi Arabia team omudin El Ali numisa Roberto Firmino Edward Mendy munyina oma join El Ali a eye club e Saudi Arabia na El Ali for say next targets Riyad Mahrez a onu susu akan Edema Boboku andin Ede Manchester City no na oma say 43 million pounds a year plus bonuses na omde ka ho Edema Riyad Mahrez yam fancy na fe captain in the morning wo bobo for their manfo and so and twas midin me share time so time no di boadia 8 Joshua Cabinet General ni media brempon pokuare afei Joseph Ajiri Raymond Asheteru ateni Benito Mauli DC captain in the morning wo boba ofori amanfo over to you.
Adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM Ghana Adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM
I mean you mean what? Where the girls at? Where the boys at? We are going to see what we are to see what Unipia ya suya ya kwa jofo Afeo benye binsuwa eye sikedro Mami mini miwo Yewi asimu ni obrano di Mami mini miwo Mami nchili fili okay Mami mini miwo Yewi asimu ni obrano di Wate Mami mini miwo Mami nchili fili okay Bana Kakuraba miwo Mimi yemeni Tubo Bibi eba miwo Mimi yemeni
Iti kama pome homo deno macho me bua no amana beno e kom de mi ada wa meno ene nyamia to mi se mo se mi nwe ho mini bi ne busua bu melamoji kakraba me hu ye hu me kanko Ghana ya we say me limousine yes me figure say I come jo adaka bu ashiti ma me bele Reme chingana ma me ice cube kala for the we him I say we be me sika the samba for iTunes obi anya the sika na mo ya ho paperwork and your family
okay I'm faster than come the sports team Joshua Kwabene Jani oni obrimpon upokuware ya doma say Mauli and he produce you some 34 minutes down 7 a.m. marching live on your family favorite radio station Ahenkan 93.3 Edia me just so obuoba ofori amanfo
age of 30 obena 40 no new year sim obisu mu battery no obena 50 na bomo no why na hoping Maria and just was my patron
I don't pay me GD say bibi ekoye and then the focus will be heavily asing not me no ka say adwempa hene Kofi Mensah enti enchi yebekọ ho na odi amanebo no ne edikan e di amayen from time to time yebekọ na wa bringing up to speed what is happening there information ye nya no enye de for now mentime wase kakra bi ahase e koso hey asemeni Ghana no enti mo Facebook no ye be roli some mentime wase ba ku bi ekoso video ayensa kan wa ha no now do eni edi akire ye be sere IGP ye nya ne ntie se police for a mode wo mko ho ne doso pa and Endra IGP direct say NPB inti 275 MPC no unsi ana police di omachi IGP de akwankyere de abekere se police ni bia odi MPB achi etuo a ekura no onfamra nti omo gi tuo bia ekura police ni bia odi MPB achi omo gi ni nyina enra ena sa directive no eba ya me no kasa yi police ni bia odi MPB achi no ya gi ni tuo e de ato ho
so ya kwadofo afeu benye binso ayesikedro mama mi ni mi wo ye asimo ni obrenodi mama mi ni mi wo mama feeling okay
ain't ye no I say enough anopay ye be ko ho
mama mi ni mi wo mama
ye be sre wo mo omo ma adwobre wo mra abatfo nye ntokwa wo ena no kin any Abel asem no wabra kin kun Abel wie ya nyankopon ba ya wo be ne kasa na wobisa ne se na wunua ada na wamu na wanimi wo ye de yank wanimu ante inti ya abatfo adwen kire ne nkrofo ko kire mo kwan na mo nkire o ma adwen e wa asundwe kwan so saa kikiri a mo pese mo de ko ho no emoa ntu abana asundwe mu sani kumawudi ne ya asundwe mu bokọ no asen no fun so mma nya asundwe bokọ nti ya no ahye ne nso de amame sera medical ka chawo ne yen attention will be more on asen not nti ma yenyi niam ne bi mfiri ho na afi yen hya ase enko ho enkodi ho no mo enkomo mfa ma woda chinti ene ye de to aso de ama o woda chinti thank you
obi anya disi kana mo ya ho paperwork and your family change and the square me ma usu ade me yejuma ho water work se si anam one dey dey me compare dey me can say what else
Ofreo Eja Yaw George we a taxi driver Eja Yaw George a taxi driver achimoda ana wo anope yi kobi ke say yen chiaw emfama no
why hoping Maria and just was my patron obi dia ba no pa obi dia ba ni mra na mra pa face abrabo to Mrs. Osu ya shesa ana ya shakuchi ya usi dia ba onim se
Inti eja George, we a taxi driver Chimoda, Kobe K say what you know that say. Yeah, that's you be me be so as here. Okay, inti what that inti ene near the nam. You so ehwe adidi a ye nidi entem inti anadwedidie ene ensunsuanso boni a ewo so ena yigu so a ye hwe anopan so ye toa so enra ne ye hya ase a na ye hwe anadwedidie ye kan ho asem bebre enu nti ene ye nheda nkomu nka ho asem bebre biom saa but ye kyerɛw ensunsuanso ahodo a ebetimi ede abrɛw wa nidi ntem anadwedidie no nea etimi ekofa eba anadwedidie no oseme nka nkyerɛw sɛ increase the risk of obesity enra me ka kyerɛw sɛ wa nidi ntem a empanimfo kyerɛ sɛ enam sɛ wa nidi ntem nti no ɛyɛ na aduane na udie no sɛdeɛ ɛwɔ sɛ digest ekwan ya wose nkefa so na yam ne niema nyina de ekɔ nipadua no soro ne ekɔ fom ne ewurawura ntin ne mu mogya ne mu bebi a etimi wura no wani di ntem nti na udidi wie ya na wokɔda aye ne nti no ɛya aduane ne nya hoden ana sɛ saa processes no saa we no ɛfa ha we wura ha we sen ha no enya kwan enni saa adwuma no ɛne nti ɛtai ɛde obesity kɔsoro kɔbɔ ana kɔfom kɔbɔ ɛde ba kɔsoro kɔbɔ anase kɔfom kɔbɔ nso maka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛno nso so tumi ɛde cancer ɛde ba yɛka ho asɛm dadaada nti ɔsɛm nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ adidie ntem etimi ɛde kɔsoro kɔbɔ ɛde ba wanhwe yi a ebetimi ekun ɛma wo mu yɛduru bɔne overweight wo mu yɛduru bɔne nso a nyare bebree unsi obi wo hono ma naturally no oso ewo mabusua mu ena ye wode yen yankasa yen personal activities ne yema bi a ye aduane bi a ye die nsu a ye nom se de ye nneoma etimi kɔtwe kɛse ne de ba na eno se me nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ ebetimi ama wo hawo kɛse etimi ato nti ya no ahye ne nso de ama me ebiem yawo impair memory and learning. Obi a didi anadwopa no. Eya na empen bebre no. Ono ankasa kra de ade eto ne nkyɛn a na ne wura fi sɛ wo de ato ne nkyɛn, ne wura fi. Kakra bi a na ne wura fi. Osua de a na ne wura fi. Eniyama ahoduo bi a ɛwɔ sɛ nka na adwene yɛ sharp wɔ ho no. Oye da bete saafo no anopa yi ye no kasa na yasrew se uyu obi a udidi anadwo a ubetimi anya saa yare na ye friend se impair memory and learning usua de a enka wutirim kakra bi na owura firi wo ho because sani nka wosen ka duane no udi a o ye exercise wo kotire betiri nya nka yam na we kwa ha eno no be mo adwene na ye sharp no unse wudidi wie no akoda nti wada agu niam bibiri so enti ye be makakra bia na ore fi ade o de ade to ho no mo a na ore afi ene nti ya no ahye ne nso e de amame ne etoso me ensa ye wo eating disorder and I said disorders and so e wo ho no mo a obi a otai edidi late obi okra wo didie no kra no wa bre enti abasa kra wuntimi ni aduane no yie enu achi enam se wan hyeda nya abotre ni aduane no nti no yam a entimi nyam se de wosenke yam ebiem wan we ya wan kasa kra beduru ba bi no di aduane kakra bi anu ame odi bibi kakra bi kan anu ame ni nyina yo haw ni bia afei die di ho na memfa na die nsi ena mo che se e disturb ye na se ne wosenke ye da no se wan ni di ntem a e disturb wonna esme fa ba kon ka ho na nyi num afei esan so affect pregnancy sɛ wopɛ yɛfunu a wo ba doctors for kyerɛ sɛ obi a wodidi anadwo ɛyɛ a na motae ɛnya ne obroni frɛ ne sɛ lower BMI onipadua ne ɛwɔ ayi bi wɔ mu a ɔfrɛ ne sɛ BMI na ɔkyerɛ sɛ woanidi ntɛm a ɛtumi ɛlowa no a wanhwɛ yi a bɛkɔfa wɔ haw kɛseɛ ɛde abrɛw anɔpa yi late night eating effect ɛna yɛne wo ɛdi mu ɛnkɔmɔ kakra no ɛne ti ya no wahyɛ ne nso ɛde ama me wodidi late paa ɛpakyɛ ɔhyɛ aseɛ sɛ wotu ho fo didi ntɛm kakra na ntumi mmoa wo ɛna anadwo no koraa no sɛ wantumi andidi ntɛm ɛnam ebia w'adwuma obu ha wɔnhyɛ da but n'adwuma no sɛdeɛ yɛ design ne teɛ no ɛma ontumi nidi ntɛm sɛ wodeɛ ne saa ne te a anadwo paa no menni aduane yɛ mu odu tea bi kura na watwa oat bi a na wayɛ ɔho anaasɛ bi a wheat bi kura mpo a aduane yɛ mu ha a ɛma wo ho nkyere wo bebree na wadi wie nso a nante kakra nyɛ sɛ wodi wie ya na wokɔda nante kakra bɔ nkɔmmɔ kakra na intimi digest ansa na wakɔ woda akyi pacho yɛmfa wentu yɛn hofo na intimi ɛmoa yɛn yɛda ase na record label bi aba yɛfrɛ wɔ mo Angel Ascent na Angel Ascent for wɔ mo artist a wɔfrɛ ne sɛ Yawre enso so ɛde nnwom foforɔ ɛde aba Yawre na ɔmo nso so no ɔmo nam na ɔmo tete sɛ yɛse ɔboɔ deɛ otumi ma akwanya ɔmo tototo nnwom no ɛma ɔmanfoɔ te wɔn ka nti ɔmo so de amanedeɛ de aba an campaign bebree no efiada na amanedeɛ yɛyɛ ho adwuma but Yawre ne deɛ no metie no enra no ɛfaa me ɛna me se ansa na efiada no kra beba no ɛwɔ sɛ me ma wo nso tie kakra ansa na fiada yɛahyɛ da anya ho abotrɛ adi ho nkɔmmɔ ɛno nti Yawre ɔyɛ new artist ne nnwom a wɔde aba wato ne din Sugar yɛntie kakra na afei yɛba yɛnkɔ Asen North na yɛne adwempahene Kofi Mensa ɛnkɔnkɔbɔ ɛnkɔmmɔ ɛmfiri hɔ no mo nea ɛkɔ so Asen North no ɔmfa mu amaneɛ ɛmfa ɛma yɛn Yawre yɛntie no
And I gonna make you feel your
Ghana Adisie October Okore about Emma Ate Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM
Mane nhyase foforo enti mutie wia no madi ho adanse Yawre nyame yadom a Friday
I gonna make you feel your
ebedi ho nkɔmɔ pa akɔ akyire batie ma me ba
make you feel your
Ghana Adisie October Okore about Emma Ate Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM
feeling that it's talk I'm like that to you I feel to carry you go on top of the world Oh my chama girl I could do anything I could hold you closer Oh my chama anything you don't want just tell me yes sir and I could do you my sugar oh my love my sugar oh my love you my sugar oh my love you my sugar oh my love my sugar oh my love you my sugar oh my love look at you baby girl make it do make I would do be crying in the piano baby girl singing let me sing and run anytime I look at you and I look baby girl make it do make me do be crying in the piano baby girl singing one chain no matter if I let you go one chain no matter baby can't let you go come on and show me your love 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 all this thing that I feel in my heart you know it's my feeling that it's talk I'm like that to you I feel to carry you go on top of the world I'm at the jungle
Ghana Adisie October Okore about Emma Ate Ediba Ahenkan 93.3 FM
and I could do sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. Oh, oh, oh. You my sugar, oh my love. My sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. All this thing that I feel in my heart.
Okay. And into him some media me ama de na nya papa menye. Sorry as here. And unti Angel Ascent Record. I no pay. One new artist. Yao Ray. No. Sugar.
You my sugar, oh my love. My sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. My sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. Look at you, make it make a load.
Okay. Ain't Yankopon Yadoma Friday. We will have time for this song. Yeah, Dimun come on. Yeah, find one after the other. Ni achim kakra. Sugar. Yao Ray. I didn't call social media handles ni nyina. Na ko search Yao Ray.
Show me your love. Show me your love.
Enti boys na mototo nyom wa ha no you good ah. Ye no mbekasa. Ye no mbekasa na wape wahwe.
You know it's my feeling.
A new record label aba.
I feel to carry you go on top of you.
Omani abre papa. Omani abre nti se wonso ani abre a. Omani abre. Anyways, ma yenhwe ne yenkwa ahoma ne so asen not. Na yekonkohwe de yekoso ho no mo yama ne boni eye adwempa hene Kofi Mensa enra na no kwasi adam pu no koye nia ekoso ho nyina no de nani di akire na empanin se de okwa aten de oba aten ni ogira ho na time aten trudu nti no yebekọ ho na ye ne adwempa akwakotwetwe enkomo yakobisa no situational report ne ekoso wa ha esono ne wote studio ha na wotete na esono ne ekoso wo fam ho wo mo fam ho nso so de omo di wo mani ehunu na yenya ne ntese mpotem nso ya bibiri ho network nya papa o enti nka omu tugu so omo ye yi na nka mo check omo network ne nso ama wo mo
Ghana adisiye oboba ofore amamfo ate ediba ahinkan 93.3 FM.
I feel to carry you go on top of the world.
Enti yeto ahoma no se ne be ya yensa beka adwempa hene Kofi Mensa ne ye na akotwetwe enkomo na yenya ne ntie se political parties no so reps ne bibiri wo ho achemodan ha ebinum so afiri ha kɔ ho enti ya ne binum bɛkɔ kasa yen yankasa yen enua bema owura Newton Fiagbenu oye constituency organizer ono so wo ho nti yebekɔ na yene no akotwetwe nkomo NDC constituency organizer achemodan why na aba okay
One change, no matter if I let you go. One change, no matter baby, can't let you go. Come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love.
Okay, nti yabekwa ahoma no so na se dem di kan ye no ye ne adwempa akotwetwe enkomo adwempa hene Kofi Mensa ye ensemtweroni a wodi ne djuma wo Ahenkan FM ha no mo adwen otime nka po mboko
mini abema nyango panda roma ye ho ye pa na so
nyame adom wadaroma anopedi epese wotwa mfoni kakra de mayen ejebu ene na ejenya bedru Asen North constituency sen na hotie
That's mini abema maenda etie ponsi no maja in Canada 3.3 FM atum prekope titru ma tinju medie na baby an so mo pede ekoso mo mu etie se dia so mo bo ese Ghana ya base ba besu ti baby de beto from bia e won pesu bia so no e ho be nya tan kan ye de be kire wo mo ene na ebrewa ayipuma ekwan mu a obepiem e won finfini mantamu Asen North abato MPC so a ye by election eno before the go apono eso ni nyina no ɛyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ɔmo mmra ahyɛ bedwane afempino ne aduo no ɔto aba ɛde maa no mekyerɛ owura gyimdaakye kwesan a ogyina mu ɛwɔ ndc amanyɔkuo no ɛdin mu no ghana amamra ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɛkwan a n'asɛ ne nkrataa asɛm a ɔgyina so ɛde bɛpere tumi no ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ na ɛntoto yie ɛno nti ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ abato ɛto no afempino ne aduo no wabɔ ne nyinaa agu ɛno nti ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsan so ɛbɛto aba foforɔ wɔ mpɛsua yi ɛsoɛ no ɛna nam sam aba election no nso ɛkɔ soɔ na sɛ yɛbɛkae a abatoɔ commission no de bɛto dwa wɔ May bosom de ɛtɔ so aduasa baako no mu sɛ ɛnɛ ɛno ɛyɛ June bosom de ɛtɔ so aduonu nson afempino ne aduonu mmiɛnsa ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ mpanyinfoɔ ne adehyɛ no ma wɔn ɛyɛ asen nɔt abatoɔ mpɛsua so a wɔn gye wɔn die Ghana amamrama ho kwan sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn kyerɛ wɔn adwene ɛwɔ abatoɔ ɛbrɛ soɔ no wɔn mɛto santene na wɔn mɛto ɛyɛ aba no na yɛnhyɛ nipa a wɔsɛ fata ɛsɛ obetumi nso akɔsi wɔn anam wɔ mmarahyɛ bedwa fie na me nuandura na agya nkaka akra yɛbɛpie mu ɛwɔ abatoɔ mpɛsua so a yɛde ani edi nneɛma akyi bi aso toto fam etie deɛ ɛsibi ɛkɔ sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ne dan no yɛn nyinaa nso yɛbɛhu sɛ de dwumadie no bɛsibi akɔ no yɛbɛpie mu ano na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa na hanom ɛhuri yie paa ɛneɛ wobɛhyia obi ɔte fa ne fam wobɛhyia obi ɔte fa ne soro obi te fa ne mfimfini fa ne soro fa ne fam fa ne mfimfini no nyinaa no asekyerɛ ɛne sɛ wohyɛ mpanyinfoɔ a mpɛmpɛm no wɔkɛsɛ yi wɔnom ɛgyina na kyerɛ sɛ nnipa maako mmiɛnsa na ɛno ɛyɛ owura akya sopoku a MPP amanyɔkuo no gyim na wɔgyina afei ɛyɛ maame beni ɛnyɔnam stefanu ɔno nso so ɛgyina mu ɛde ama LPG kofi apalo nkorɔfoɔ no ɛna afei NDC nso so kyerɛ mu sɛ owura gyimdaakye kwe sɛ ɔno amu na ɔwɔ ne mu gyidie nti ɔno a ɛnsa ɛnyina mu nti ɛyɛ nnipa mmiɛnsa but initially no yɛte kyerɛ sɛ nnipa ɛnnan ana independent candidate bi ɛka ho ɛyɛ nokorɛ na independent candidate bi ka ho ɛfrɛ ne sɛ maame agata beidu na deɛ tiɛ ne sɛ mpanyinfoɔ so wɔfaale ne nkrataa nyinaa na ɛkyerɛ sɛ n'ani abere sɛ ɔko no ɔbɛko nanso ɔno atena aseɛ ne nim deɛ ɛsi anaasɛ abatoɔ kɔmisa ne kyɛm sɛ ɔsaa de nkrataa bɛda wɔn sɛ wɔntumi ɛnkɔ ɔko no bi ma ɔno deɛ ɔtwe ne ho ɛsi nkyɛn nti isi nso tena aseɛ a wɔn hyehyɛeɛ no na kyerɛ sɛ wɔ pipa no so na ɔkɔ akɔto aba no a panyin a wɔdi kan no yɛ Kyasopoku nti wote sɛ ɔmo ka no fa no soro na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ Kyasopoku na ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔno na ɛkɔ wote sɛ obi sɛ fa ne mfimfini na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ LPG maame ɛyɛ Beni ɛnyɔnam wɔno ɛna da nɔmba 2 wɔ pipa no so afei aseɛ hɔnom nso so deɛ na kyerɛ sɛ gyimdaakye kwesan nti fa na fɔm no ɛno nso ɛyɛ owura gyimdaakye kwesan nti ɛbaa deɛ ne ɛdi akyire no nipa dodoɔ a ne da yi abatoɔ kɔmisa ama ɛnya no ntiɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ no nso ɔmbɛto aba ɔmo dodoɔ ɛyɛ maako 41,168 yɛwɔ polling stations maako aduɔkron 99 ɛwɔ abatoɔ mpɛsua yi so nti neayɛ a yɛto aba no polling stations no ɛyɛ 99 ɛna kyerɛ sɛ abatoɔ no ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ hɔ wobɛpiem ɛwɔ ɛyɛ asen north abatoɔ mpɛsua so a wɔn mo ahenkuro ɛyɛ kura ɔfrɛ ne sɛ asen breku mɛka sɛ kyɛnse ne nyinaa no gyina asen breku a kyɛ sɛ ɛbɛbɛ am na ɔka sɛ ɛnyɛ asɛm ketewa koraa na ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ wohyɛ ɛnɛ sɛdeɛ abatoɔ dwumadi sibɛsi a ɛwɔ sɛ bɔ anɔpa no nso bɛbɛpɛ ne yɛfiri asɛ ne yɛto no a mpa yɛfiri aseɛ kɔmmeae mɛyɛ ahodoɔ bi no mu a ɛkɔhyɛ sɛdeɛ nom ase bi ɛkɔ sɛ mpo sɛ ɔnom mfiri abatoɔ no ase mpo ɛbɛɛ yɛduru hɔ nom no yɛdurɔ bɛɛ sɛ ɛnɔpa no nsia mpaa mu na mewɔ one station yɛfrɛ hɔnom sɛ ɛgya ɛndwa na ɛgya hɔnom no sɛ no mekɔpie mu wɔ community center AMB no na ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ electoral commission no ɔnom ɔmba bɛhyɛ abatoɔ bi na gye so nyinaa yɛ krado nanso na ɔmɔtwɛn sɛ abatoɔ no ɛbɛfiri ase anaasɛ mmerɛ da so ɛbɛfiri ase na ɔmafiri ase nso ato wɔnom ɛnso so ɛmma yɛfiri hɔnom yɛde ani kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ asen breku no ankasa nso so ne mpata mu a baabi yɛfrɛ hɔnom sɛ funeral grounds wɔn wɔ police station A and B yɛkɔduru hɔnom so no na yɛ adeɛ sɛ abɔ anɔpa nɔnson no pɛpɛɛpɛ nokwasɛm na kyerɛ sɛ abatoɔ commission wɔde ne nkrataa bɛduru wɔde ne biribia bɛduru a kyerɛ sɛ na ɛdɔm nso abɔ dɔm pem a wɔnom deɛ sɛdeɛ mamra no si bɛtia no na wɔn afiri ase a wɔnom ɛto aba na biribia so kɔ so bɔkɔbɔkɔbɔkɔ na police station A hɔnom no nipa dodoɔ a yɛbisa mu a wɔsɛ wɔn to aba wɔn dodoɔ ɛyɛ 486 ɛna funeral grounds bi wɔn nso so wɔn yɛ 485 nti wei ɛyɛ hɔnom nso so deɛ pie firi hɔnom no na maame fa mmra ɛyɛ asen breku Mercedes JHS ɛhɔ ɛna system no kɛsɛ deɛ ɛbɛka sɛ attention no wɔ paa san saa nom no polling stations bɛyɛ sɛ ɛnan ɛwɔ hanom a ɛnya asɛm ketewa na wohwɛ Mercedes JHS ni hɔnom no a nipa dodoɔ 441 na ɔmo hwɛ no nso ɔmabɛto aba bi hɔ ɛyɛ 439 and I want to see any said one and so ever to a year and ma one more. Not yet any matter it one more. I did see a day as to the two from the Buswa, said the normal city air conana, Yan and just a page, the Aman war, a yes to be about Grimoire, a bank police station, a barco. And I didn't be a film, almost them say, and go put an about dump him. I would do a more encomo. Now, more on a man, or will be bad, or no, where your MPP, now entity farmer, if you got their own got to a bam farmer woman, and it's kind of what poor the amount woman. And she's our Subusa workers and any element is going to be so active. And then I'm so, I'm a mention was a crack down home and so, I will want a man not just a bump of one and on your from with your boy. Said the Yasha woman as Ghana Mamano, I saw Mr. Some boy who by no share ya. Tekebia did be wet the crumper no entity and so ama and about one of the so far so good and Pesha would do Bia would do Ayako about one FRC a quadrojo, Cisa Yanchi, so Abia Timasia de Tuabama, yet in Kinu, the Teletra Commission Maya, Yanchi Bibia, so far the Bibia Gusua air cosword. Our bambo and Semuno, you bet me Akata, bambo and Semuno. Ay idea, Kafra Fachem, ay idea, a Jana Namoso pa. A chance then, Oko police station, Bia, Anya, Ubu, a police for Bakum, Yumiasa, and 9 police station, because the tension you walk around over corner, police for Marco and 9, and one more air stress on the body, and so a bind, one of my days, and now go down 1 summer year, Miss Maka said, and also so a coastal book, or I think not. About one or say, you better call the no be a better argument. No, the debate is here for penny baby at Radia. You bet me here for any so a bo, at any bit me up on us in Jim. Lemon, or being nim a bridge, a woman, GBC, and so at the name of some of concern. I'm on your phone, I'm on your phone, for the areas, the NEA. Teach you a year over about one, a director of election was Santimantem, Ura Ivan, a year Belson, near Nenabo, come on now, Catherine and said. You are also a Hanaka cancer, Kumawa. Said you're not a year posted for a big boo, a Yokumawu, not baby of the Drubiano, who was a posted for Empo, and your police station comes a posted for Miami, I am 9 and 10 1 and 10 1. Who said be a was not about to embrace you. So, a BM, what is you get them the Kumawa, I want to know, I posted for a comedy, I put the Equoya. Akodian empo te peje meje bi ko so ko pon betin dia funu na ade hye omo no mama na bo hu na nka bi aja basabasa bi wo bi tim kura wadai na so o hye aposifo mo hanom na mo kire mu ten o mu nke ta akodian bi kura wo ne mo na abodi sponsor de untimi tagom de bia o mu kuta akodian na se bi se ntino ene bi ono no nyim je mi ta no hu no e bia no fi se wo se bi o mu kura sabi tuo bi akodie bi na ke kura na komudi hu na but I had no idea honest with you and yes and a which is a police needs our own to be a but a police for the answer bumble for the young to me and Cassa or the young cranny to the home and mums pay open Numa a diabetes so at the Kaka but only a concern some of the NDC people no a hoodie and you almost switch them say or matter case much of my police so work ground so near the idea and also so more areas that concern but me make say Captain, so far so good.
Okay, inti see the number of voters I hear any mu say ne omobeto aba no number no si suma e biom.
Yo, me that say numbers I hear shana to padu and there was some to stand no to aba e wo asen atiti about to pesua so no e 41,168 41,168
68
168.
Okay.
68.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Polling stations and also 99.
Okay, adwen ma yena se ade no report ni nyina na wode aba nti question bia kra nhye de ni hosa ma yena se na wadaro makoso a afu ani di akire bibie ni ebesan ba wo nchen biom
me da se menua yesade ya che atie4 bono ye be hwe se de beto fom bia so no yemfa enso enkame mu.
Okay, but we quick one answer na wako empanimfo a omo lead political parties ne ba ye no anopai wahunu bi wo ho to say chairman the ma NPP NDC ne mpanimfo sa no wahu bi wo ho no anopai
so far so good in the bia me wo sisi ane de mean said that ain't penny bia just our hanom but ebi mu kire mu say because of say in Ghana be a war area timuni ntino ɔmo ɛhwɛ so sɛ hanom no yɛ district capital nti hanom no sɛ no ɔmo agyae de ama regional executives for no so ɔmo no mmom no monitor nti wokɔ other areas na ɔmo ahwɛ nso ɔmo I do a call from Pennyphone be alcohol call. Make Marka say a Pennyphone do winning out around and Pennyphone or mobile in an idea or more around by the center, not to be a legislative idea. Minion Penny answer or the Samu team no more children no. Sahanum no a host nation, the host nation no or mobile be a regional executive and the constituency executive. No make me a bomb on Italian Magaka and to be a young who be a one mono or move a lusu a something like MPP, but you lusu, you know. Ọma suma mpanyinfoɔ no akɔ hɔnom sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛhɔ no ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ɔmbɛtumi nso awene ɛna baabi nso amfa sɛ ndc so ɛlusuyɛ no ɔmo nso asoma mpanyinfoɔ no nso akokɔ hɔnom sɛ ɔmo nso kɔhwɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo nso bɛtumi nso awene nti saa na ɛsi bi nso ɛteɛ ɛwɔ hanom.
All right, yɛnya no nteɛ nso sɛ ndc mps no wɔn na ɔmo bɛyɛ polling agents ɛno nso saa na ɛteɛ.
Na mekyerɛ mu sɛ baabi a mewɔ sisi a ne mmom no deɛ menya hu ɛyɛ panyini bi a mɛka sɛ ɛbi ɔyɛ regional executive national executive na ɔyɛ polling station agent but deɛ yɛhunu yɛ anasɛ deɛ ɔmo ka kyerɛ yɛ ne sɛ ɔsɛ centers no yɛka ne sɛ yɛ center a baabi yɛto aba no ɛdɔɔso nti saa na teɛ deɛ because ebi sɛ mu ma ɔmo kyerɛ mu sɛ centers bi wɔ no ma ɔkokɔ ati na mɛka sɛ baabi a ɔmo hu ne sɛ bi a MPP one who you know you make sure so will be a sabi kafracho mpanyinfo bi anaso obi person who no na ohun no what dey ko ho e on sa anum ye regional na hanum so di media godo a parties we ni di ye ni na no le kase ti MPP ko dwa boke so mo boy ye ana man panyin be kasa ye enti omu ni sa anum no mpanyinfo na ba hanum ama wonum ehu omo enti sabi nkrase ba bi omo so pe bi a mpanyinfo bi ti say general secretary ni mo ene won mama kana hwe wo mo no omo do omo ma ko on so omo ko no omo mua wo mo.
Very well enti kosofo ani di akire se na me kan ye no ye be san ba na de amane ne de amaye ye da ase bebre ya no wahwe ho yie nso so. Okay, enti adwempa hene Kofi Mensa ye yama ne boni ye ne ye adwuma wo fie ha no mo okọ enra nani da so di ne ekoso ho no mo no achi enti eno ho ama ne bo no de amaye no 41,168 registered voters ene ye hwe ani mu se ne omo nyina be pie akwakoto wo mo aba 41,168 polling centers ya won so ye 99 aduokono enkono enti ya na wa hye ne nso e de amayen ye be run it down kakra from 96 MPP for anko parliament enti 1992 1996 o ma anko enti no mu ni candidate bia but e shall say 2000 no ena Ura Kennedy ohene e Japan eba be fa akonwa no saa time no na asin north asin central and asin south nyina na eye baako ena oye member of parliament wo hwa 2012 ena nchichemu ebaaye nchichemu baaye no na ewo se ono no eko central ho enti ono no ebeye member of parliament de momanfo wo asin central enti benya asin north asin central asin south asin central eye Kennedy asin south no so opani ono nso be take over Reverend Intim Fojo ena asin north no nso so no NPP for corporate 2012 no muti anye yi omo anya and into Ura Samuel Emba sa na bi mu frɛ no ena obeteki over from Ura Kennedy Japan omo etena so 2012 2016 ena maami druwa mensa eba beji free Ura Samuel Emba nsem 2020 ena Ura Jechi Kweisin enso beji free maami abena druwa ensem na ono no gi free ni nsem wie ye no ene ho nsem aye bibre ya nei ye san gina ho no mu aye kwakoto aba nti na ehon hyehye kakra ana say breakdown kakra e wo ho ene ye de ama wo no percentage wise no se wo hwe mu a na che say sa constituency no ankasa asen north no from 2012 wa ye te ye bepem ene no se wo hwem na wo follow wo mo history dia anka ye NPP wo mo safe haven but 2012 no omo de ma NDC ni ema ni die nti yenim what is going to happen this time around nti omo de ma NDC ni 2012 e de ma NDC ni 2020 ɛna ɔma san ɛkwakwakɔto aba no but sɛ wohwɛ mu a even 2012 2020 na ɔmo to de ma NDC ni nyinaa no na presidential candidate ɛde ma NPP no MPP ɛna ewini presidential candidate de ma MPP ɛna ewini enti sɛ wohwɛ a nanado ewini saa seat no a but ɛyɛ na parliamentary no ɛna ɔmo sesa ɔmo nsa no kakra ɛno nti na ama ebinom ka sɛ wohwɛ mu anka MPP 4 seat ebinom nso kyerɛ sɛ daabi saa ase no ɔfofoɔ no ankasa no ɔmo nso so MPC so nti woba na wohyɛ wo bɔ no na woani so a 4 years yɛbɛsesa wo nti obi nim sɛ sisi no sympathy vote betimi awuram anaasɛ they will follow their political trajectory anaasɛ den ɛna ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ no mo yɛ follow no closely nti as when na news bi abi breaki no yɛbɛkɔ adwempa hɔ no wɔde mu amaneɛ de aman sɛ na medi kan ka kyerɛw no political activist foɔ no so bebree no awɔ hɔ nti yɛkɔ anim no yɛne bi ɛbɛbɔ nkɔmmɔ Newton Fiagbanu ɛyɛ constituency organizer ɛde ma NDC wɔ hɔ yɛne no ɛbɛkɔbɔ nkɔmmɔ ɛnkyɛ but meɛnyi da ɔbɔ nkrata mbɔsoɔ no mfɛmfiri hɔ na afei kwan mu na hɔ na yɛntimi pay more attention to asen note me ne woka sɛ news editor Ahenkan FM kwaku ɛne nkusibu adumatena ase saa nso na maame akuya Janewa enso atena ase ɛwɔ ha kwaku apombɔkɔ deɛ
bɔkɔ na nso
nyame adom o ɔba
papa
apombɔkɔ deɛ
ɔba de adom na nso
nyame adom yɛnso yɛ ho yɛ paa na kwaku still awe no hu yɛ wɔn
da me hu
abmiti prom bi mi ka sɛ ɛwo a o
da bi
asɛm sɛ mete prom bi before me bɛba no ne me ka sɛ ɛwo na gyawa bɛlande nti yɛsrɛ wɔm yɛgu so
ɛsrɛ bi obi wia moto mu hu baabi ɔde nam
ɛsɛ wo nkɔ odifoɔ bi ahɔ ana wakɔ odifoɔ bi hɔ
na odifoɔ baako
wakɔ odifoɔ bi hɔ
mafrɛ no ɔse ɔtwerɛ den ɔse ɔtwerɛ
nyamotrɛ ma
so odifoɔ mmɔtɔ ayerɛ ɔse a metwerɛ
sɛ wɔ sɛ tie ɛwɔ sɛ ɔtwerɛ to hɔ wie
na odifoɔ ma me update bi ai
dabi sɛ odifoɔ bi a wohu no a obɛfiri aseɛ sɛ wɔka sunsum asɛm akyerɛ wɔ no na wɔnyɛ odifoɔ papa because adom ne nya wo dea so what you say and yes afei na okofra you have to be in the sa realm no
yes
you have to be in the realm
yes sa kwa so ofresent eso ye na kande ne sa na ne no o ba on sa tlebia 3 days ni ka anya kodi nka bibi ntre me
se tio nia me ka ne se odifu ate se bia ete sen wo se me ho ye odifu a wuhia no ete sen no atimi ahye nkom me ho like minim se de me ka no ate ase a wo se me hia no me bisa se ete sen a me expect se obuso beje so me ho ye straight but odifu ma de ayera o na eno eho no a no ono so se o e wa ha no nya papa o saa one ne ka sa o saa eti wunya ka se ma de ayera o na o pese oboa wo no so the moment a ma de ayera o saa na fei atuni aswitch ne spiritual antenna no na afei nti woni ni di nkomo no a saa enti na we he aho nti nkomo no hya sese ekoso na afei sunsum adwuma na hya ase ye adwuma na mihia wa odi for motor ayera o okay wa ha no eno ne ye honam ni enti nyabotrema no why nyabotrema no obehu na eja won so o de mpai bo ta akiri kakra obehu ade na awerɛ ho ube de ayi asemi dika
en kwa na emi atita
amunyai sa kra anyways nti said am kind na yen attention be more on asin yes nti yen fa de bonkrata no ntoa so
okay
na mpanimfo ya line on app no yen no mo nhya ase eni nkomo
okay ana yemo ne pepa ase berekunam ne yewe ne hyew so anapa no twe about per minute dumiansa ene eye benada June bosom ne de toso adununsun ebre na du asen not ena ayinfo bi gunsa
amugunsa ne de amahan
sasu biemra wom susu se MPP for ebe wiem na adwenboni bi ekuta MPP party no wom try some ba apply sa adwenboni na abosomfo nyankopon oze ompomu na ne bi emponchen kra no mo
ehemfo
ai asen achiano
ahemfo na asen birikun so hemfo nso ayi apaya ma NPP
aya Se Bereku nso na capital town.
Bereku nso ne ahenkuro no.
Asemo.
Enti wo ase news achema ase news hwan a wo hye opani no ase. Mumienu gu nsa hwan de ne betie.
Ase pani ne de.
Ba me ni omo ye ne de enye. Ni omo ye mi gu nsa ma we mi gu nsa ma ne ye de ade no. Ena omo ntie o. MPP ntimi nwia abam o. Sanso na NDC ntimi nwia abam. Abato de ye koto a eno ane polling station no. Enipa dodo a eto aba wo ho. E wo se wo agent a okọ no. Oye vigilant. Your agent bi wo no mo a wo tro 69 kura wo hu.
Common sense. Enye
just what
ni. So that's it. Akwese yade bi won asem de shempai bo.
Debi.
Mi moto de empire bo.
Na
ene tactical ni mienu na.
Maami o gina ha ise oni mu no.
Wei.
Debi o mfante man MP no.
Sa.
Maami yi no. Ophelia.
Madam Lydia ni.
Ophelia.
Oni. Na so yongo.
Oh,
sure no body no.
Ni kuno iwe jani ya.
Near friends Hayford.
Hayford.
Oh.
We Ophelia Kumsen.
Ophelia Kumsen.
Ni
di no.
Debi o. Lydia or the Lydia.
Lydia Seiram ni ye ayawaso.
Debi.
What do Ophelia?
Ophelia den.
Kumsen.
O de man hwe.
Ku.
Me no.
Nti check hwe.
Infantima MP.
Yakobo ni kuntu.
Ophelia Kumsen. Ophelia.
Sa.
Nti wo de check hwe.
Pam.
Enti abatwo de eye pulling ayi ho. Station ho. E ho na wo say we vigilant. Me te say NDC for say omo MPs nu say omo MPs ne 136. Na say 136 no. Ena police centers no so ye 99. Enti say omo nyina kra say omo cha say bi beka. Enti omo say MPs no na e kwakoye polling agent. Good. Na nia ye tuo bia no make sure say ya kan. Ye kan so a sa niema bia to sin wo ho no. Mo rectify was polling station wa. Na collation center na ekokodu ho no mo a ne obeka bia emfa kwan mu bia mu. Nti we wiem na nya adwuma. We ye free so ho.
Man you are minister Japan. Transport minister.
But you say your ministry bi ho no ma dede ni ho. Nti wo hye ho a no ane say wo hye ho.
Minister Chapapa.
Mi obi ani asem.
Owe kwakwasi ama.
Me pe minister di anka. But me anka sa minister di anka sa me mpe. Me nia me pe ni CEO. CEO
de obe kontemu.
Enya no kre.
Sa.
CEO of Forestry Commissioner Shehodin.
Na aban ba. Aban bia aban o point o no.
Ene se minimum.
For ba.
Me ndie minimum say den ya mfie nwotwe. Nti mi so me hye ho no mu am
Shehodin kule.
Shehodin. Wo be minister na ase didi wo ho dodo. Minister ndidi wo ho. Ba CEO no kra di do ni time we no.
Akwayi ko Shehodin. Say one tank ye hu say.
Why?
Say John. Unse o Shehodin.
All the money minister cross one pe. CEO no Shehodin.
No ye nuama.
Ntenye ye ba ya gaze de.
Wo Shehodin. Asa na nakomia no na nakomia so mpe ayi. On your say your pie state.
Ababa nya na tale no de poster no.
Poster be ya.
MPP chairman.
O de poster be.
Poster de na boss ne kwan so ye.
Sa.
Eno a.
Ene so ono anatare.
Ono. Basa me Maakye no.
Ono anatare.
Ena Maakye no. Cause na me doubt say ono.
Time waso. Papa we de oyeboko. Nti wusi wama jenu akra edwo. Unsi general ejo. General chairman.
Ojo amenya sure so nti na ojo.
Amana ejo. So nipa nka won ne gbati pen no ojo. Nti wuye kikiki akosi sei.
Egosi hwe.
Nti wama na jo.
Video bi o say o chere chairman MPP chairman say.
Da bi na nya MPP chairman no.
Na yo no.
Omo abato na mkoto ye no.
The way na bi nanse ya.
To asa repeat bi.
Asen not here ya.
Okay.
After mumiti IGP no.
Okay.
O say omo chia ya 2 years o.
We try to show yate. We are slow by sure. And we so see krik. Yate. Okay. Ye mo wuram ne enko.
Ye toa the bokrata ye hyase mpoisan se emfa bi. Ene said dem dey hyase the Chronicle. Delbo Krata the Chronicle and IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare infoni a obey Facebook page live kobiki adaroma watamatum yopo kra engine bomodi abra Facebook live na IGP chia Asia NPP ni ndisi no na adno mo yikofi aparuma film so mu na epre
ba wan ono wan kobi osoma ne regional directors ne koye
sa
ono de wan ko omo rep wo ho unkan statement na police ne dia ba
dem picture na nanka me pese me unzo mo
a say omo rep ni wo ba wonnim ni nti no
okay ya say de be ye bia basabaso yonsi nti na IGP wetu ana modada say de bia sa de no mbisia no kwan wasen note enne ya say ofuase ayiribi wo manya post office foforo kra ewunsem the chronicle de obokrata no e dia ba no pay
Abusia Daily Graphic okunim ko wakrata ane de to asosi truth and accuracy every day. Na ko akrata ne de asin not wo moji wo musamba papa efiti ne ya akoso chana watwi de wo mo a ane wo mo da paso abatre be koso wo ne IGP se ne wahye esa ahoban bo hunsem bedemu no hunsem ko akrata di tuja na electoral commission se sabre nsu yo wonsu tobrem enti ahwe kura na ne nsu akwakoto nti wasese ko ba ne se insuo betre ne wono so waboaboa no papa se ase not ensuo mo ewiemo abatro no ebekoso Daily Graphic de hunsem tudwa woni monyamfo Alban Sumaina Kingsford pub wono sumfoni eda ne woni nani abre wojamu sa na amayo samye yama na koye sika tene nano amane bob chere mu se ase not ebi mu disika ewra abatro ni adeade mu wono so akasa etia krata feto so edunsia and what they ensemi to edwa enanu pesa so anene watchna ene nyasem kete ye nwane mu misrimu fo so bronya kese a wo mu edie no Daily Graphic wakrata ede ho sem to dwa ene anopen
de am de to aso ama the Ghanaian Times de obokrata Odiora Charles Opoku NPP Madam Benis LPG enafi Owura Jachikwesin NDC Enfoniaba ena Ghanaian Times ebuza se hwan ena edi nkunim wa na by election abekoso wasen not ene tunsu betumi do adwenkyere afa 0594 841044 0594 hwan ena edi nkunim Fabra 9 kan 93.3 FM machi wenkenkan emfamao na dia fon mabanesa na yesi owura bi onya finhia dunum abemu ampo 15 years adabi man kafra owura ni mfiama but yesi onya 15 years in prison okodi 15 years for prison se esanse wakwakoto abaiwa bi onya finhia dumienu 12 years wakoto no mona nti Ghanaian Times de ho asema ba se papa no eko prison 15 years ehonsem eda say petroleum tanker woma edi petrol diesel ne kerosene na se for filling stations outdraw come mia outdraw no wom se hwan wom nya dwuma wom ko strike ena me kwa funti wom so mo ko strike na sa asema bo eti Ghanaian Times say petrol tankers no wom so mo nya dwuma mo ko strike esansa kwa fun no emo mo boka dodo Ghanaian Times anopay
The new crusading guide abusia ya de etwaso na ne crusading guide so de aba Yera Charles Opoku ne de da hasanso ana Madam Benis Enyonam wono so de da ne James Jachikwesin asen not ho sensem ana wode etudwa no no so bisa se hwan ana ya to aba ama ne ene ho sem wode aba na Francis Adainimo ene wono so foni eda se echemu se sabre wono so akofile in nomination wono de ende se in grand style ankasa na se enya sem ketua ebusua ne so sem ko akwate edi etudwa na US abrochimemu wa mabogana mapeni na nadedankwa ya bona basu ye pa ni nyina ye ne hyehyeye ne tutu ya wadi gu apon se ne ebe ya amamuo no ebesansi ni dade amamuo no ebesenjina brane enuti ye bona baso krata fa toso miensa ani edu ewo the new crusading guide mu ana wade ensemi etudwa ene anopen
de amede to asoma the anchor de obokrata asin not impenfu e wo mo primfoni asan piem ya boso dada na abato bekoso asin not ene no IGP Posi Sadom hine any posi koni na no yesi wo mate officers a police for aha wotwe 800 egum asin not na 800 the best on there 99 polling stations ana 800 the best on okay ti 800 police for na ebe call asinot akoye monitoring enne ama abato na akoso asomdwum na yese nam so ama IGP ahye MPs ni bia bodyguard so bia van tonto na post for be modwuma no ntawonsem IGP ayade say MP bia bodyguard say woso wobowa ana obuotia say ukuta nko afato police for will do that job the anchor the obokrata na ebosa amanye dimdi twato ene say yesi owura John Dramani Mahama oyo opposition party oni abamu na so efrase achicha ministerial positions no meba meye owesi the anchor ede ho asem abanopai
ebusia de find the credibility and ye de etuaso na find that so dia bani enfoni mienu bia wode aba ma penina na dedan kwa wo sha che se waso eyeye racha sopoku na ne wa pagya nsa ana enfoni ba ko so da so ye ma penida da John Dramani Mahama wanu so ahyefufuo na ne James Jachikwesi no wanu so ahyefufuo ani ya pagya nsa ni nyina da eye asem not abato a eba womode hihye so ene ne tse womu nyina afani nyina wobia ani abre na se ne IGP wo kire mu se ahoban bo ho nsem wo hye ketiniti MP bia bodyguard won fani tuo ento form no so find akwa krata de ho nsem etudwa enano pay afei so wo fo se ye bi se ne ye di kan bo so wo so enya post office for frokra no eno so anu pay find akwa krata de ho nsem eto edwa
de me de to aso ama eye de Daily Searchlight de ubo krata sukupa wo Ghana doso pa ye wo Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology ye wo Akim State University College Achimasene Epoemantemu ye wo Ghana at the University of Ghana das Legon ene ye wo mia odo bebre edoso na owura Ayarga Hassan Ayarga ya amanyoni penyini ase osusu se is alleged or say munato ena afi say ebi aja no akyerem say na hu anam so no mu azem ni di agro na me fa hu miamia no eni afi bambonsem enye kra ewelegon osesa no me amensa wi o allege say ekoso pa rape munato so bi mu ena afi bambonsem enye ewo University of Ghana Legon Tora Hassan Ayarga allege na school for mu diabo school ni bi pa university student bi pa na so twama Daily Searchlight de obokrata abato commission o say abato na ebaso no wo mani del pa na said o maye krado no enyasem ketwa ena kasama forma asoyehwe Ghana enyinama hoden so say minister onimnya format opoku prempe waye krado papa say Ghana nyina mahoden ene nyoma nketinketi bia enkoye no obehwe amana gina ne na so Daily Searchlight anopay
ebusia daybreak osi freedom in truth no ane de etwaso na wade abachem so kopie mu ewo Ghana Revenue Authority na echese U10 bia kwa akoso wo hona manfo ani abre ebusia ene na mi ya tema wo yo refanyu osusu nya asem ketwa wo mani abre ne akoso wo bebia na U10 akoso wo Ghana Revenue Authority ko akrata echemu se na ka transfers awodo ba bekoso transfers base 906 and eba bekoso enso U10 ba yentino ni nyina penifo de taboa atoso emunsem ko akrata de tudwa se ne yedi kan abobo so ayechemu se tanker drivers awodo wa mususa akwantempo e wa maimu no atete apansam ti wa mo boka ka wa mu bonti wa musu tie tua den eno so wonsam ko akwata dia bana wa wie ye no ana wasan so echemu se wo hwa aya pon so e wo so tanker drivers so wa mo wa ne wo mu nyina wa mani abresan so na organized labor biasa bosumi mienu temne ne ade tudwa ayechem se no asogli wo mususu aba wo man Ghana ne mining companies awodo mpanifo bia eda no wo muti yeji wo mudi brave from sem na organized labor me for susu chem se sampanifo miensa no wo mutu anu wo metiem wo mutu wo muso anu wo maso nti se ye yi wo meji pa de wo monte ase and is a gentleman chimpeni for some pen for me and saying quanquatana sedia and the wamuso kasa bosumi babesim July bosome neda etosu edu wamuso beti etuya ewo maimu emusem anupe ko wakrate ade tudwa afei so Ghana man peni se ne edi kan se US abrochimai when you kopie mo wa ya bo man peni na na dodan kwa na baso ye pafa na amamuo hu sensem se ne wode amamuo hihye ye egu aponso wo maimu ntino ya bo na baso eno so hu sem anupe daybreak ko wakrata ade etu edwan
pen ultimate paper last but one anupe the business analyst next year resikasemu na business analyst no waka enwomahwe wasem kakra Owura Kwasi Pratt managing editor ma Insight newspaper penyini chese sa Lancashire exams na ye dia ba se teacher for wie teacher training akotwere no se emfa so bia ni so fa so bia ni so ntomu yimfiri onmo na teacher for asum nyomo na den enti Owura Kwasi Pratt akon o kasama teacher for pa se sa Lancashire exams ni yimfiri onmo hey sanga de be hu na school for 7,000 na 6,000 efilia edi ya Owura Kwasi Pratt na edesade sede wi atodwa ebiem yase apinto jas hene asre aban se eto bi eda takwana bosso ekura na company na zeden takwana bosso ose aban ni mfiri ono onyi sa eto ni mfiri so na stadium no omu stadium no onyi mfiri so Governor Emma Bank of Ghana Owura Dr. Ernest Adixon penyu chese omamu ni na omafo japade a wo ma register enenam empem ahansun aduokron asa aduasia 9 779,364 79,364 ejapade o manfo register o Ghana okeka ni na bom no enenam sa 79,364 akaka na 80,000 o manfo ejapade o Ghana pao ye timoto na ejapade ana nya ejapade se ejapade na so automatic man lusu ma ejapade ba ko ai aka TV no mo okay TV o yes the business analyst and opinions more the buy no
I offensive say 70 nyina ye di kan dada na sin no fa
alopai enchi ankoma wofa kwabena kwache wofa keke en wata frame no ka kire me so wobo
keke
fa kwabena kwache se wate ne nkada
owen
kweku kwabena kwache oye ensemchuru ni kesi Ghana ha kane na ono na ye news editor wo multimedia adom sa adom for news jingle yi tin 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 tin
ai yo ma so mo jingle
no
dia wo boni nya
me adom na me boyi ya
jingle ne pusu be
news papa tie papa prekun tie papa prekun tie papa prekun of akeke
aha mahu
of akeke
ana
ye sa ayi no ede ma wo mtama no ye news editor wo ho no
ana tie to nwum na wo no se den
eye news nko ade a tie papa prekun tie papa prekun tie papa prekun of akeke ne yes ade no
oh okay
ya de pa na sisi ade owo Ken City as general manager wo ho Ken City
okay
Kennedy
Japan yes
nti o man FM men kan sa o man FM na ono na all kire say you don't need to be a neutral person. Just be fair. Into of a cake asemo or waka. Edi achire me anope no. So you don't need to be a neutral person. Say me dem you neutral. Ebo abo anya no kre. Just be fair to everybody. Eden ya obi a wo favorite. Meti ha yi. Meto aba. Sebe me nto ma ponche. Enye nipa. Nipa no so belonging to a political party. Nti eden obeto aba na ma party bi. But just be fair. So I say. Enti ofa kwame kwache kwabena kwache rather ofa kwabena kwache. Boiling point host ɛwɔ Oman FM anɔpɛ yi wɔfa se meda se ne message a odi aba ɛde encourage yɛn ɛda se pa me no ka sɛ deɛ ɔmo ɛbɔ de mu wɔ asinfosu ɛhɔ no mo
ɔmakopio
ɛhɔ no mo wɔ ɔmakɔ Ira Kennedy ni station na ɛwɔ hɔ no nap radio
campaign na
nap radio no mo bogum wɔ hɔ no mo a sɛ asinfosu ni asin hɔ no deɛ ni nyinaa yɛ baako nti no
ɔmbɔ hye
nti ɔmo bɔ adwuma wɔ hɔ no mo a wɔfa keke anɔpa yi yɛda ase bebree na wɔfa keke deɛ still a ɔgye email o ɔyɛ program ɔsi send email o unim email no
sɛ wo message afafa email
ɛne mmere mu a yɛn gye WhatsApp ne Instagram ne Facebook ne you know ɔfa keke deɛ ɔda so gye email o ati wotu betumi ya email me at ɔfa keke ɔfa no pay me da ase bebree yɛda ase enti ase north no before you bɛkɔ ahoma so ahyɛ ase ne mpanifo adi nkɔmɔ no ma menye mo nso mo take on nea ɛkɔ so sisi a no mo follow ache
pa
akua
papa
wadwen kyerɛ wo ho ususu sɛ na akonnwa no ɔmo ntunwie na ɛhefa na bɛfa
ase not no meet me kase NDC befa ana meet me kase NPP so befa the entire me kase say ase not no akonya na dane unlike kumewu a yenim se kumewu dey a way stronghold aha ne de antisante ene no me dey meet me can but they meet obi abetimi but they meet me can say part obedi nkunim ho from me dey mehu no ebi asa part no or higher chance of winning 2024 the entire mekasa akonya no ehwo de na nya ba akofo de a dane nti ni obedi nkunim ne higher chance of winning 2024 no ehwo so kakra
I see eno ne yawo de wadwen kyerɛ no no yate ye da se kwaku
yo
wo nso so
ase not on say ade a ebema say NDC enya ade ebetumi akɔso san ye say omoto abani wi a likely say jachikoisin so we ni obetumi akɔ prison ana ombesa distract na ma onya focus nya adwuma no eno na betumi a distract omanfo kakra sankanya no na abam ni dia ke betumi aka say jachikoisin ewo upper hand ko betumi asan di nkonim ewo asinot but se wantumi andi a de bema obi enkotoma no a obi odwene mpuntu obeka say metuma no so din kun mo be ha na ama onya attention nya adwumanti development na yepe no yensanka no ene be betumi affecting kofama on be divert akotoma Charles Opoku sankanya no de ankajate koisi na ewo upper hand pa
okay nti na say to you no ebe hia critical thinkers
yes
say wo dwen kɔ akiri pa say onipa yi kura no na sem wo court no so de bibia betimi apie afiri mu aba
yes
ena abrabon so yo
papa nanado ekobu ayom so why contempt no say
o de bi o say nanado de no na eye kasa ntoaso from nia yewura mahama ekan ye
so nanado na dinga kan no be yi an
da bi
mahama ne dinga kan
yewura mahama ne kwa asori dem eko kan say omotuma ne de ne ko to prison kura no a obedi MP ni wo ho ena nanado nso ka say no obi ono no da prison de oya den be di MP minim said ye make an what ya say
yeah me follow pa
na do no de no toa de yewura mahama e kan so e te just okogina hɔ na o say je tikwesin ye de ne kwakotum or call prison na say yi o say na no yewura mahama say o da prison kura obedi MP no I don't know so say na o ka say o da prison kura obedi MP a MP de say ni wo prison enti montuma obi ono no ene na ogina ayi ofrene say wo koto abade ama obi a ene ogina appeal court was appeal court ochina ogina circuit court ade chen ogina hwan ye kokko basa na ha dwom ka de yemia no mtinya hwe yemia no mtinya hwe kra
nanado so asmo kan se on monto abama de ni hu ni nsensem
ena me kan blemish obi a ne hu ni asem otuma no a enya fe na wo say kodwen ho kra say nti de atu ye say betu bie mu ana
na say kire say likely so we ni a court be san ha no
ena say wasem wo court ne de enya say court be ha wasem wo ho a wonim yen kan wie yo enti say wo wi ni kura no still na no be court say wo be koda prison yo say wo koda prison yo e den ya be court enti asumdwe kura na wo de be focus ya say MP no yes say be disturb with this court issue
enu nti na say bia enu nti ebe distract bia
but obi won so no so de abufuo de be koto de ama no still
ni na bi wo ho
ye to ama no ne be sinsi
yes
so that say
yes
obi wa sympathy vote papa no kra wa bre dodo unze Ghana ye to ya ba based on sa de no wa bre o mampani akufu adu say sa obeba no kofo so wa bre ne to de man ha enti obi betimi aka say no onipa ba akopɛ abatfo mu di nani sa still ye beto ama no ne be sinsi so that say but encrophobia omo so campaign based on say papa yi ba cha so usi ba ye be LGBTQ no ho atumi no eni hwe hefa eni hwe hefa oh
bia no mu ni say Charles Opoku ba o say sesi ano mashebedwafo ebetumi aka say apai
na David Charles Opoku ni ba
oba sano bi adweme
na mebo Charles Opoku onye kristoni
oye kristoni
owura Jechi Kwesen onye kristoni
oye kristoni
enti difference e make ye den ase ba ku ye kristoni na ba ku ye bronsam enti bronsam be tu kristoni ne de amen eni ema bi ho ma ye trivia we enwo say ye manu sa
my say majority takes all
the majority take all ye wo Ghana ha eno mo ka kire ye say ministers kra omampani akufu adbubu mu din bibi kra mo kwan time kra no mo number so den ne course ayi madam ye nwene ye ho me nwene ye ho enyi ni Ghana ha mo kanu fo ya to man ka so mo nyini ntum o ma mo bo ministers bi ni o mo so mo nyom ntum ewi akira ye koto abakra no saafo na ebubo mu disi anyom ntum no omo na ba ne course ro pa kanu fo ya tenya ma ne boom ayi akira ya MP ya o ye minister of information am friend say kwadwo opon kroma o man ka so mo nyini ntum ewi ase onya ma ne boom and what are they talking about Brian Champo man ka so mo nyini ntum ye yanka say KT Hammond o man ka so mo nyini ntum but omo kokoto aba no onya more than omu nyina kra what are they telling us enioma bi wo ha yemfa politics so ati ase enioma bi wo ha yemfa politics
ana onim de akoso ni na wase not no ma party ana party bi mfa shintim so ye de etumi ye campaign ye de etumi call ground ye ni party
enkofo no ankasa
abato ni ye omanfo na ebeto no
so ati ase
yes
omo ankasa betena ase no bi so
omo ni mu ne de keka one de
abatfo a na no
nipa adwen meka emri bi na obi bo bubisia wane nipa na ka bibia wie afi wagene number en bibia on sene a different story as a magic inje nipa no ko shada ka ni mu a
adwen timi sisa
yes hwe wa sitram
obetumi aka same de we den we ana meto so ko du adaka ni mu kro betumi asa na adwen yes
one semi aka mama 2020 general election
timi de ekoso ni na de me ya ntwan de besi
me wo western region na papa bi oba o se ju osusu asiketia ne ade ekoso ento no wa na adwen sa aba na okwakoto na okoto ma NPP ni afa papa ikoye onu so no oye ofisuro ni bi oba na ombisansa aba no kwaye no timi tuma no se dabi bi NDC ni na tade no wo hye na duro wowom aduro wowom
aduro wo NDC for ndo ko jina butirim no otoma opie na ti na ni so enya aduro bia no wowom aduro bia ni
about democracy
that is it to some me ameti hey wo be ya campaign ama de ache kura minim ya mekoto ama no so that say ena onipa na mekoto aba na ama no so no ma take so many things into consideration before makoto aba de ama no mami kura se minim no
Benis no
asem ni na hia kwa benya I don't know so ono ade a ebre bi yakoto assembly man for ne members hwan for abatwe onipa na me di na chika man to abana ama no because I was not convinced by the end message or present here though na me follow no through but last minute no me hwe the message no me hwe the name I didn't vote for him.
I know they to me see. Na ye Ghana hana a former president when any baby called Jerry John Rawlings ni or bejna ye then one constituency when ya zero. Some say I ain't no all on one sort to my wine.
Ain't he? They shouldn't be, you know.
But you know, need them.
Omunya woman no monchro mo ade okwan papa so. Ain't he?
Uko ye ama CSC ICT center aka computers ye de begum. Na nkwada asua de o because when chinkwada na nante koso abe. Omo MP ba ye oko 4 years. Accident si wenye ska bunch akocha ma victims. Ewo obi constituency. Ghana manofo no what's our problem?
Accident si wo baby.
Yeah, as not ya election yi hu nsensem ya. Okoya kwa donation.
Na say wo ka say your friend is saying o ma ho kire o nti wo nya do ya say ekwan zu mie ma wo.
Enu so de enye ekomu difie na wo ya adoye wa abonten.
Dabi.
Enu po de nshira ni.
Sa. Enti mo se ko koyo onye den.
Onye fie.
Ti seska we. Seska we. Ntinka se de wanya opede akoma victims no. Ti ntu se ontumi nya sa openyi baby kokonye sika no nkopem to de onto computers 5 pen fangum na mo starting.
Eni pe ewu o se computer bra.
O se
eni pe ewu so se computer.
Ana say computer na problem na
oni pa de nya nkwa computer no be na be bo.
Ada enye ensi pe o. Sanka si pa dia meka se mechusu nipa nkwa. But to computer na should dey over years.
Ente bia na
ewo hono mo.
E bia na plans.
Now or draw National Cathedral plan.
Ba me ba o. Kwaku o be MP a o be MP a. How many years na be CC o constituency?
And they want to me nka. And they mean to me.
But ye the obet me no so ye.
Engineer ogu so okoyo oche ayi. Enya one the whole report by.
Wa soli anopa. Wa soli.
Kwaku. Enya one do okoyo ayi ni ball ni JC oche whole report by.
Yes.
Enti nyina.
Sane de ade wa ye ntese meka.
Enti nyina ye niam ni bia wo ye.
Na no yanso okoche apprentice bi hair dryer.
Ni nyina ye. Is what I say. Enti munya abotre na omo angasa kra mo ti aban mu de na omo ya ma akwatiafo.
But at least
omo so omo no mu di ade no de na omo ya ma akwatiafo. Go to akwatia.
Akwatia don't have problem.
Then MP4 papa what is one friend saying. DC no.
DC no. Cedric Ryan.
E de na ya ma wom. Kwa akwatia kokohwe.
Akwatia ho no mutu den chembo no o.
Bibi fufuro bia ni ho.
Na wako DC assembly order.
Me krampo.
Wako assembly. Enfutro say twa.
DC you blame na nyeye.
Na blame why?
Problem say koso mprempren. DC MC u blame wo mo nyeye. Minister kra blame na nyeye.
Nti em blame why?
Can oforia time release sika. Enti nim say
do budget say o budget so bi constituency hwe nkoso. DC ntumi mpreme enye bibi o.
Obu ho no ni sika okopre ya chire na afedia.
Na woni hwe na we pay yi.
Na wo be di ayi offend say DC ya wo do miss Ghana be.
When ya more problem wo Ghana politicians ni bi no mu kuta big position. Empo say bia abasi etukwan akwa brochire a. O ye be mana kokora na wo John ma fe na wo fa protocol mu ni ade. Enti no tumi o mo de srade tumi o mo de epemwa no wo mo wasa tumi no. Enti sa aban sika maya aye o mo nye sade no ma yehu sampa leadership ni tumi no ye adwuma
na aban no so die enti no so release sika.
Enti wo de aban ema sika de fa ne de to nchen but ma leadership ni tumi ni nye adwuma na yehu sampa wo ye adwuma na aside on na o mo atiase say dia koso bia mo hu obia no we odi mbone sa wonya adwuma
na wo collaborate with nkrofo na wo de mpanimfo ba ekro ni
ti say bia o dan MC na bia baby fo hia nsuo
say aboabo dam yikrampo
no akowurero makopa ndi obi aba
aboabo dam ya investor ba ya yesi we de akire ha ye media FM ha ye media soro ha ye media yi
on be pempata sika
na nka wa frɛ wo mo no nyina tena ase na
ono on so de animtwi o ya de papa onimtwi papa obetwi a obumfu obumfu zo ntumi nka hwe
aha media no ye nyina ye beto ye ewo mu say wo nana mu agapade na abot ye da ase nanso na abot ye sere wo we ne de ye mpuntu dwuma enti ye sere mu nyina mo keka mo hommom ye nyim firi wo nsem na abot so kai na abot ye nyim firi wo nsem na abot ye sere wo ye pese ye de ye mpuntu dwuma enti ma ye kwan ne mfa nye I think senka ni nyina so beboa me ne kwaku ya adwen obi ya DC obi ya MC or say central government sika mai central government can ofori ata no nya na adwen so be release sika bi amamo wonu no nya kwa ka mutu opposition because na shi seba wo mi apese obedi president can ofori ata wo so betiti ba wo mi asa beguna ni mu asesa na oguso ye no ni oguso ye no enti seba wo mi abeba bie ne de ene anka chire hofo ne mfa chire hofo ne mfa nti obema komo ade assemblies no ni abomuja na nso oben
wo mi akra de omo ta na chi de mi hu omo problem
oni mi ni omo nso ye ene me pay attention to asin no
se ni na Ghana mpuntu
o pense mo ati o ma menko Kumase mransa obi time e de ma anaso apa ho ne ne nkodi nkomo emransa nti o pese me ka ba omi ade ndi asi da obetwen ana obekwa aba na Kumase oze
mami nkomra
oh okay eti Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology SRC no e wo ho no mo no enra eyade se ena no fiada mpom koye adoye kese pa president ya wudi wo mo anim His Excellency Frank Owusu omo akwa donate 60 laptops de support omo project bi omo frɛ no Sonso project na anope ye behwe na yetimi edi mu nkomo kama de ama sa laptops yi di dwuma poti no mo di bedie de ben ene mfaso a ebetimi apia free mu aba ye hwese ye nsa beka Frank Owusu na ye ne no edi saa adoyom kokoye mu enkomo nti Kumase anase Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology wo mo nkomo ne yebekoti afiri ho no mo kama edi amount okay nti yebekwa ahoma ne so na ye ne His Excellency Frank Owusu ono ena wokọ KNUST a SRC no woye wo mo president Frank otimi kan no pay Ahenkan FM suni ma chen nyame adom na wonso
nyame adom bibia boko
great na say ka say Sonso I don't know say manya din ni yi a e de ade
Sonso ye vice chancellor ye ora ye obenfumu kununi Mrs. Rita Kusia Dixon obedi school no enim mfibe menu na miense atwomuni no ka se da bi kamia ye se school ni mo ye bo no ene obia na ebe ka se abrabo ko yi sa bo ho mo kire wo mo na wi asi be bi edu abrabo mu yi no kamia ye se school de uku school na se unim de efa computer ho a ye na wo school ko na se audition na case kakra ene ntin sha be nye sa obedi so yi no de service medina si wa asibia okwa aboafo ho ene aboafo di nkomo ema oboni so mbedu ne laptops abo school for a se bi omuni bi ne de edumadi akoso Kenya se be mfinsia mensa ayi se America se yenu anu ma school se wo ba bi be se wo ba bi so akofo kura ye ene ntiafi bia I think the first time no donate be 1000 laptops last year donate 800 this year be 600 ntiafi bia donate laptops at school for kamera se omuni mu ade now so enam say esi nyenti no mutimi ento laptops ni ebe no tibi bo
okay nti wadaroma o yenya ntie say makoya adoye 60 laptops said ya wo kan criteria mu use ye ma applicants no wo mo so nsa kan bi na ye den ya
okay me da se family kama say o charge bi sa na se wan famra na se ya nto ho obi ataka so hia bi and in the ba ko ye ne si bidin kan ye ya yi kan na student so na me aduma bo fini mienu e bi enimi ye be cheten so laptop ye wia me e bi application too the application no ye wo questions e busa wo application ni se na bi be hu se so ampa se nya wo ka se we obi a unia mo ano and kwa se unia mo and in whole file application form we wia na ye screening form was na ba ye screening wia ni a bi mu for interview and the interview panel or interview wo sene dey be hu se no kwa sene ya wo kirem e wo untire yimu se no kwa sene se bia ohu enso laptop to no e yampa na se yampa and so we do now interview anymore. After the near social nipa, a short the two more. Now I share laptops the work. Now a murderer, a year announcement, the now but great hole. Now boom, the Makuma,
Oh, okay. I see. Enti some of the ma omo say no aye amo de bibi to ho a wo mu a mo behwe se omo de achieve.
No kwasem ne se o telephone na ya ya maka tira kakra e kwese obi a school na okono o serious obon mo de kakra. Enti ye wo grade point there also in second class up and third class. And the dia unzo ni pakwe de obon mo de se bi mpene poso so board of one. Na do pa de akoko to consume na bro. And in the you say we will be a who more thing what the same man so can I say we need academy we have one more group swap near first one boy. I think yeah two no question say the amount the yeah in time per se what the idea moving out the farm moving out the boom more dear. And the idea a cat baby a cobra better and yes and so maybe a two says you a year and for 80 and I think I can't and proportional do meet and for fabric and if you put to make as I said the moment and pimping a can make a dish we do not see I feel like we are not able to do no dear and in the Saddam farm around somewhere say yeah semester be a fabra na fabra 2 and what could not be in and so maybe show moon cry and say and you've been a day a salmon to bring the mood journey and me now we are the amount and it's also because we is in a bear. That should be a neighbor person for some amount. Eddie, I tell them, we are the two be a new kind of the other challenge. No one I thought I never saw a crown and not about fast my mobile in the end.
Okay, into where forever.
Forever, what dear?
Oh, okay. I see. Na mo so makwakoye student union na mo wo ho na mo yes adoye we no mo source of funding if rehifa.
No question the say to know your source of funding your school for na use the maye. Na dey ba for the American say school for na etika. You say the boy school for na hobra. And the campaign to the bones the be entertainment program ni dia one was saying by that be a bia ni dey. I said the because the two part. I said the BC project ni ade. And the gain as a friend they be say e ma may ye project ke say bia e fa ade na yen so them contribute here to policy with those might I am here there boy and in the school for na sika what ya my say school work can for it been a year there is also project no.
Okay, and meje di say executives ni nyina ni student body ni nyina so te ase na modi sika kokodi say adwuma yi.
Oh I can you see an crowd there senior you do my data son kono say FBI as president o president of budget actually school for account for the parliamentary council. In the near America as president, no college BI or college president and the secretary. Oko BI or president and the secretary, or Gazette president, or local president, or international students president. And if we be off campus constituencies or more na for school, a bit of bomb so, a bit of ida, a bit of idiot, or no be answer your work and the four of Umina Kamomo for parliamentary council. And the FBI 3 years as president, as soon as the BI and stand at the mouth. I'm going to spend this place as a duty. Oh, catch someone say, but for Madia Mamma, no, tell me they didn't just but it's in Papa to we, but a couple of 2 weeks, may we, no much gas, Yama, and some food, and I was asked to be Juma, and into Madia be a school for you, and cry, as I suppose say, and may that's a vice chancellor program will cost so I just do make it see at the Apono. And the idea of making a cousin for the phone in Asia, and again.
Okay. My na se bibia ni ebesa ba wonche bi eminim akakra bi na o time aso na won so free office. Other projects wo ho no ma odi asi wani so abepese free so no obe achieve ni nyina.
Oh okay. No question project dey do ade ba kwa de bia meda why me ya na se mi se anye ye memory sa. If we say ye no anka me bia no wutimi nya ase that is 1 year and within 8 months of active students being around. But you see in the school, if I see a boy, we turn back to the old system, whereby September, na ya school, near Maakye, May, June, near Nyasa long back, no. Oh yeah, I see what's the year. Your bus school January, near Maakye, August, move on. And then you know, I see can you see your point academic plan and make a crack. And to go the academic calendar, it is 1 month, 2 weeks young than the normal academic calendar. Yeah, number. And the men poor and your normal will be a jibby, Nakabi. The business says all core inside gate of the school. Young before your school for the bit of. I said, the year bus school in one school, Tony, and they never be paying that. They are bad share case. Come on, school for a while, 4 non bridge, and I send a bay a car for mobile school. The Miadum, I establish entrepreneurship endowment funds, Kabet and Ganati. I did boy school for or more entrepreneurial ideas, more building school, and so I'll be after be school and so to a journey. Down no marketing, getting a bay a young uncle who will use to know kind of plug resources for the first time. Establish entrepreneurship endowment fund and Yamiadum, what they are here, I really use screen, you know. Acha July near school be really acha supposed to can credit 5,000, 10,000 yeah, they send a bear or more will be in after school. No, we will help them from here. They back on so and say a discussion area, baby, and Kratina is seeing their school for Messia. Then couldn't a woman I would go say the mere meters and put 150 did go after so quick at the lab. Yes, in 2001 renovation for your home. And as now see, 10 years dear. I have barefoot, a CD internet, and a computer. No, you have to see a renovated up as class lab. I'm saying there will be our phone to see idea. And if I jump home, and nobody be always asking they go firm. I have to see a near boy students, not students, on the budget.
Okay.
I did about only students didn't come out. Or what can want some this year, your horse, no. And come there say you be in the Bunuka crime, more fun. You mistake last year, university for any unit for week, whole week. Yeah, and to see Emma school impending for at the Tabuno Toya. So, yeah, Banay, say, young JCR to be a billion to a bending penny will be a Yamiato. Yes, I say you didn't come up to see and come up with the Empire Nayabo. So, only came to send the Edin Kumasamba for the catch on the state. JCR to the body in the better that is Junior Kumorum system of that. You didn't come on, yeah, Bompire in Yamiato, and San Luca Bambudia. Not tablet to near school for near your programs near the number of school for near the before say, all we can no play major at the boy. But say, I leave it to me so much school we had that house so can you wait to get the way by school for you see I take a council. I can't get a now, I'm a baby. I come.
Okay, your Excellency, me and fancy Hanamona post radio where deeper. Actually, everybody I should didn't come on actually. Yamin Council. Inti Yane Frank Owusu ono SRC President, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, any Kundinity Afrewon. A Honamona would be the president as SRC president to Honey and Equator and Community Sanso projects a Ecoso, Ewo Honomo, na or Coco ye one on behalf of the student body, no 60 laptops and a Jamodia Kwakoma Womo just to augment Womo Juma, Womo Yedana Sibibre. Juma Pano near Cosono, so I was here bring it to the limelight. Na ubi and to me who near Coso Sebu. Ya sorry ye, any at say KNUST 4. School for no akwa ye ne ensem fata anka ye ka nti omo so akoya adoye ase no so wose ye ka hu enu nti na gya ye kofa de beto opono so anopa ya dwendwen ho no nti nyankopon hyira wo mu enyina ba bia yaduru no ye bedan ye ho aba ye ba enkomo no mu amunim se enene de focus ni nyina ekọ asin north ye bedi mu nkomo mpanimfo ba komienu bi ene omo baby din komo no so aye krado ye no be din komo na fe o ma doma bo a kire ni mamu kama de a kire yen ansa na ye be kwa ba no me fa sedan koma Jubilee Hospital wo me abio ma punu mu ato ho no mo o se o ho na dodo o pe ba bia kwagya ya resa kron ye sa o yade ama ho ato enye kona bra bia o kwa o be ba bie mu a ebe che because o ho be to na Jubilee Hospital agye no no de asi wo mo abatiri so a enkrofo from say omo ye rampimu asi du ye ba no apomuden de a wo mo abenseja OPD inpatient service ye wo lab enso so wo laboratory center wo a ye be check wo ama wo ho atimi ato pharmacy wo ho nti aduro bi a ya twra ma no bra onsa be ka bi antenatal care post natal care ena theater nso wo ho maternity wo ho ultrasound and ECG scanning machine ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛde bɛhwɛ wo mmarima no so check wɔ prostate na etimi aboa wɔ mo afei wani ɛna ɔhaw ɛyɛ aba ho a animu yɛ wɔ sɛ otu anamo ansa na gyensɛm brane yɛnhwɛ wo diabetes and hypertension efia da bia nso esi ho enkonwa di ho nkɔmɔ canteen ɛwɔ hɔ enuane no papa nko an ye no a ɛtɔn wɔ hɔ insurance nso yɛgye national health and private health ɔdan aboabo amantra bridge no so na obɛhunu yɛn obɛfrɛ yɛn wɔ 0244 575799 0244 575799 0241 784645 0241 784645 o fresh sa number no a yɛbɛgye wo so kama na yɛrane ambulance service nso ɛyɛ na wahyɛ ne nso ɛde ama me mepa kyɛw tie we ma yɛ ba yɛ toa so
driver jina na fa me ko obade ensa wom herbal clinic na me fa mani ko twama sa ko ka dientia obi ade ne yade ko hodo mo a won fa ne yade ensa mafie bi na onya na yaresa
wo pani besi na me fa nko na so kwadwo ayaresa wo yade wo mo sa yade bi a ha obi a wo kwa wo mbesa hwe yade bi ti say stroke hypertension fibroid infertility diabetes hypertension sexually transmitted disease prostate cancer infertility and asempo udwale na wuti wo ho saa wuti wo ho gria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wato dem yade bia help bia wudi kopie mo obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinic a wo mbeti ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu yade be ne ha wo wonase na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia help bia obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinic timi say te say ye 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura kwa akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se woda ukohu doctor yeye ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free bitwika wo krom ha obia fo me hyen a ne ho adanse enko a na odie doctor no yade wabene kwana kwaje ayalhwe obade ensa wo mu heba clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mills wonom pe number no 0532333372
Asampapa bi amati oye asampapa bi amati offer oye
medicine papa be na watia offer oye ye dia sam da no
oh menua eye HJ Africa domini CSR Ghana heya eno makabom eno ma me how to atwa nei metu sa anwum yo o makofa organic fertilizer ba eye wofuo ni ye esiesi asase epammoa na ma ono ba no eso doso
kuafo ni ene fertilizer ho ye din yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare
enu so tiri mani je esanse offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na besusu se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby I talk ya hu nyoma bia.
Offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby I tell offer. Oye. Offer. Oye. Offer. Oye. Offer kakra bi su no ba no. Ebe su do.
Download the Ghana Waves app or Play Store, App Store, Neti Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Download this here, air free.
One day, no be 2 days. One day, only one day. One day, no be 3 days. One day.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Me pa choye da se uguso na utie yen na radio no so da ha ya maache eno ni dwumadie no edin ameje so obuoba ofori amanfo me pa cho bebre ma yemfa seda no nkoso a emfa ma aboafo a wo mo adaroma anopai omama ya hoden ayeda so asinkonwa kese so esom Ghana man eni kotokuman enyina se wo hwe wo mre no asima no nwotwe pepepe ena abo apa no pa non kono eho na asen nofo a ne eda si gina ka ho asem a me no ka sei ayade se IGP the Inspector General of Police ura Dr. Ekufu Dampare George eka ho one ne mrantie ene ne mabawa akopiem ewo ho no ankasa IGP no enso so enemu wo ho no mu ebi sanso so ena maame a ɔyɛ running mate ɛde ma kanima mpani John Dramani Mahama ɛyɛ maame Professor Jane Nana Upuku Ajiman ɔno nso so akɔpiem ɛwɔ hɔ ma yɛnkɔ ahoma no so ne yɛne owura David Kumi Ado ɔyɛ executive director ɛde ma Care for Free and Fair Elections Ghana yɛne ne nkɔhwehwɛ nkɔmmɔ ɔpani oti yɛnka Ahenkan FM so ne maakye na bibia bɔkɔ deɛ
Nyame adom ɔde yɛn kwa kyɛ yɛbɛda no ase megye di sɛ mosom ho yɛ
Nyame adom yɛn nso yɛ ho yɛ papaapa na mo Care for Free and Fair Elections ne deɛ na megye adi sɛ asen not deɛ nsumani di akyire paa
in fact yɛwɔ ha
okay
yɛba ha mpo akyɛ yɛde yɛni adi nneɛma akyi bebree
all right and then before yɛbɛba okay before yɛbɛba yɛ questions ne so no ɛdɛn na mukɔduru hɔ no mo so far mo observations sɛn na ɛteɛ
okay yɛho sɛ police presence wa ɛyɛ very encouraging ɛma amanfo nya confidence sɛ in terms of security no biara ɛyɛ fine police no atake charge ɛwɔ biribiara a ɔmo yɛ mu in terms of security ɛwɔ ha no and into no baby how be to be a barrier or some few meters no barrier or your best the rate now you be down and some kakani and shem for comedy can in a bear ubia or as in bonny be or the bad senior or and for me the whole political parties are composite on any year because once they say there is a clash here between these two political parties that electoral commission so but one thing that you hear electoral commission for Myanmar say one say now an issue by Abontain. Ever reported say electoral commission engaged in secret registration. On my head office. Now, that registration now electoral commission and then in conformity at the PM not voter registering. You who 5 our voters register in my electoral commission and the baby Dijima and now all the Dijima and then now on 2020 voters register in now now electoral commission near a 5 and the hoha Yegusu Yawe Yegusu Dijima any other and they will take note of all those things. Now, 5, 3, Baptist Primary School for registering. 1, DAJHS Breku registering. And 1, funeral ground Breku registering. When now a polling station register, I sound for we a woman. Now, electoral commission again, again, it's so. I'm a mathematics for no and for Abba. Near I share who say electoral commission at the decision now was taking an annual catch and obedi a sutuma. On the communicated that to police for no Senebe a sound for no ember or say on by the Twaba, not ends of in element may want to be encoba. And into no, these are some of the things that we realize here. Not only say by elections we unprecedented. It didn't see that. Because by elections are the incumbent and the stakes are high. If you say NPP go around big man some power our grounds bar. NDC for no something almost some more grounds with the other side NPP cast and I'm a flag NDC and into no a near my ye be a bed a day meant to me want to be bebano. I say electoral commission any a anything police for no HA is in a bear asumdua ya witness from the time I back has preparation to the elections no everything and there election game yen to the body bia ye better event asumdua na ye da bobo abane wie na obi e la akọ ye ti ba ye asumdua ntininya ubisa ya we ni ya observe.
Okay.
All
right, but who make his statement be I don't know section easy for
well let me try to say your publication on the 18th.
More care for free and fair elections.
Exactly. You will say electoral commission yeah secret make us a secret because yambo obia mania normally they registration exercise that you catch them my money you catch key stakeholders, political parties, civil society organizations, any media, announcements, any advertisements, any kind, and stand outside Jumana as that. Then happening, and now your evidence. We have evidence of people who have shared their cards with NDC primacy, MP primacy, no, the registration, and register. And that one is an illegality. Because there's nowhere in the electoral laws and my electoral commission finds a continuous registration. There is nothing like continuous registration, and the electoral commission cannot do anything like that. Nobody, as we speak today, can walk into the electoral commission office to say, "There, more register me because we didn't have back to women." Obia officer register me or change so on. And I can share the evidence with you. Some of the cards by electoral commission printing before you see the date clearly. Now the electoral commission on one of their sister stations, say this is what they are doing, but they did it for only 3 people. Which today, if people say they did it for more than 3 people, so it was a deception. So, and so this is not an allegation. More evidence I can share with you after our conversation.
Yes, me use that word because until science you become evidence ni be no yentimi en substantiate anything na me can say a allegation, you know, and because why allegation until probably we intercept evidence or chere say o no enti ye be hwa animu so evidence na wo kan ho asem no.
This catcher producer say on sending me hi on WhatsApp. I'll just share it with you in a moment. Even as we speak, if he does that, I can share with you even as we speak.
All right. Inti we are make catch na why sad and kama dia my. All right. Inti mami misa biom yes, mako home de wani adi akire mahunu say baby NDC MPP wo obi ani abre and of course said all kind we no novel by election yenya MP ano tie akonwa so asan ekobiom no we ni di nkan kra intending attentions ebekosro but say mode masoto to form yie pa at the end of elections and neno party ben e possible say ye betimi a crown no.
Okay, ye dey asoto from the fact ya ko program as this is we've gone down there, we've got the people. In fact, the message I work where the command for was to educate them against vote buying and vote selling. Say yes, so amount for vote. Them madam dear, ama to about moving. That's one of the key the foreground that I wanted to educate the people on, which we've been successful. We are still doing that job to ensure that thing will happen. So they say, my own kind now some of this proposal on what that consumer coffee over area because on the back of the by so on. But back to your question, I think it is a cagey encounter. From what we gather on the ground, a 50-50. It will be a slight edge. It will be a slight edge because of what we are seeing. But there is a possibility that slight edge, no, I am compelled to say this other than that, no, in America, but the slight edge is towards the NDC. The slight edge is towards the NDC. And because of two things. Only there, the last elections in 2020, then they won with over 3,000 votes. That was Hanum. Now, so those people who voted for them are still around, and the reason for which they voted for them, no, the local grounds are maybe no more say, yeah, almost 4 years, no, almost to me be almost putting into almost 4 bar, almost 10 to my almost putting. Now, your mother buy that is such a question. I and then not cause and I said, begin to know. The unit is our somebody, you know. The near market and kitchen or you know, extra must say, oh, you'll beat me up. That is one thing. Other people so can say they are, you know, or beat me. I am who I want to meet him. And in Juma, a binary started your Hannah say, beat the man between the mom, beat me in terms of the road, you know. And in your ma almost to check a mom near one account, a idea the ball. And they feel that a buy we have started signing me, almost the mom one, that is almost few which is there, almost more and more. So when you speak to the people, they have a genuine and a fair reason in there they want to vote for either NDC or NPP. But like I said, if I take my neck, then the slight win may be for NDC than the NPP. From what we have gathered.
Okay, any na info analytics info so what almost also have gathered and so any say NPP ebe wini but ebe margin be
yeah, that's 1.1%.
yes inti na yan na at the end of we yan compare to surveys amodi aba abonten no na yentimi interrogating kwachiri pa ye beda se wadaroma bibia ni e besan so aba wonchen biom all right enti we no so bema producer ne wakasa wachire ho
send me high for the evidence.
all right enti one wo kasa nso okay enti abusia ye ne ora David Kumi Ado, executive director Care for Free and Fair Elections Ghana, and ye ne kwatwetwe enkomo some 21 minutes after 9 shedding so much and only dwumadi agusu awutie din amege so obowo ba ofori amanfo na enkomo no doso enkomo no doso pa na ni nyina mu no so de ekoso ho de bemu aso ate eyiriyo asin no for abatwe enya sem ketwa na me di kan so aka akira wo say Professor Jane na opoku agiman me no ka say wakoho owo ho mpanimfo WNDC amanyukuru mu so ye hunu 1 or 2 bi nso so omo so ne nam ho no mo information so aye tie ne say allegations ne de bebre na ekoso ebi no kire say vote buying ekoso ebi no so kire say we enye vote buying na say onipa ne wo fie o kwaku na onkoto aba no also me de meko na come de me mami tu bi nkope kokoni ni ansa me de makọ no ma ni tu no koto kokodi ebi mu kire say no nye inducement ebi mu so kire say inducement ebi mu say wo de ye na wo de asesa na adwen no akoto aba de ama na say ye mfa ne say yo mama wo koko sika no ato koko na dia ukogina butu ni mu anti ubetimi ato atia me enti ensem ne de dɔɔso but nonum embo enne no yebehunu nia ahenche no yede ehye no ene nti ya na wahye ne nso ede amayen offer no organic farming aid enti akuyafo a modɔ eburo cashew mango cassava banche akuyafo a modɔ cabbage tomato onion watermelon cowpea granite yam soya bean oil palm and then yakaka ho me kanfo offer edi amamo organic farming area ebe boama wo no bae no asodoso HJA Africa oni CSIR ena aka bomu a wo mo de sa organic farming edi aba eboa papa 1 liter udi begu 2 acres efuo ne so na ono bae na timi asodoso. Ministry of Food and Agriculture adia tumsanso ena Environmental Protection Agency adia tumse akuafo betimi de adi wo mudwuma 100% Ghanaian na oko chemical shops ahodo amede betu dwe a wonsa beka bi no ato de akodi udwuma kuani ni America wo de traihwe ebo no so efo pa traihwe ne enhwa de ne di hu adanse enye papa ye nyomo announcement ni bi mu aha papa de ne etie asimu me pa cho agrochemical shops ahodo ni ukọ hono ma wonsa be ka bi Tales and Details Agrochemical ewo Odan main market hono mo ukọ a wonsa be ka bi Mr. Eji Agro enso ewo abenase ukọ hono ma wonsa be ka bi Asama kese market hon so ukọ a Farmers Home Agro ena achim dan ha ya nso ukọ ahoto agrochemical a wonsa ebe ka bi achiase ye call Bisky Agrochemical na New Abrim yakọ Magina Agrochemical Harfit Agro enso so ewo enkoko one Crown Filling Station ne die nimhwe eben oboba FM eniti ya no ahye ne nso Francis Agrochemical enso so ewo abem Farmers Choice Agro kede ho na nso Maranatha Agro okwa wonsa be ka bi anope ma menchacha kedifo na menchachi a osofo pani a wo presby asori e wo kede soro ho yi papa facha me refi udin facha me misi fomo me bisa Bismarck na odi ama me ochena me ba amaka na okọ nyame na agro nso ekuase wo ho Plant Gold Agro Koforidua oko Suhum ehonso Chester Agrochemical ena Showway Agro buidia esuom enso ye ko Kedanso Agrochemical eya no wafre HJA Africa ewo 0257 315132 0257 315132 na omuntumi mo ye be ko na ye ni Ura Newton Fiagbenu oye Achimodan NDC constituency organizer yene ko twenkomo Ura you no timi kan no pay ma chen na bibia boko de
Kristo da Roma de achi edie ye ho
ye de radias na mpanin se nia ode na boa ne ya na woyi ne techirema so ade wo de nka se wo Achimodan na wo asinfu su de wo ye den ho
yo mini amira se mechia wetifu na no pena me shade nche fi ase no food economy party for wo Achimodan eclipse na se bi si anansem se na wo ye wo money should look at it say exist for no mo ba so se amanyofo a omodo mo party assembly to ha enye jokwesi kwa na nya so ye NDC and at the same time Ghana and I see a democracy ho banche say nyina ye Ghana for ye di democracy di te send ye be bo democracy ho ban wa fi no se de be ya majority bi entin be see bra ekoya de de be boy ye see 2020 na nyame and ma fly majority by parliament and the entry ba say jokwesi ni probably me atutu na se ye gina konya ye betan as a party send me a consensus organizer all over the country ye nyina yo ha e se ye bo no we party ba.
Okay, anu ntina ma we free aha kọ ho no mo anopai.
Ghana ho donti.
All right. Nti asen north na hin fa potin na wo.
You see me wo electric be fe ho
Achian.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Electric me wo Cocoa Shell. Police station ba ko ana msa so DCR primary is that two police stations in America so.
We a pooling agent wo ho.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. And what we pooling agent dey say wugina mu akopem say beto aba na wie.
Me na me ka kiro.
Ina pooling agent na we call obekọ ne ye di bia fa ba bia be ndен.
Say enye makofo na wo ejuma.
Oh, okay. I see. Na wadaroma mo message a mo de come asin not for be bosumi nie no. Omo asomu de.
Oh, menya nyame adom me gidi say NDC your track record. Enye ne Ghana for anywhere NDC abakosam ti by election NDC akobibre enye the first time I had by election. And the dynamic be o high the by election me gidi say asin no for no so no. Omwa GNDC to me gidi say 2020 message I di mo amutumi. Ese sa omo sana di the question by na say bi no emfi omu ye. And the message na I di mo omo de nyama kofo. Na e o gidi say abedwa nyimre ye na ye nia the question ye besa e bi akonya na man no watumi asum ne manfo.
Okay. yate enti ene na said ya uye pulling agent die ye de kasa hyewo a ochine bi no wan hwe kura na mo twura a mo betwuru medin aka ho se me na me frɛ ya na ya me de kasa hyewo e ko fa how bae enti ma
I've never had that son of a say Sikadie amu chebi sheke sikankwa na very ni election ya Kenya
eye mo NDC fo no
that be NDC de ko fisika no we na yo abem
are mo abem we ya mo nya sika ni free he
enye na ejiji o my revenue anamboa there say opposition
nti mo abem mo amjeje revenue no ya mo dibi
na said before na actually sikedi say o ma kire o my na ho sika no ye ba ye say electric na eto aba na nyina nsem mo ka say na nti sika wo aba we sem na o my na nyina ye de say o my no mo de say nya je okweshi ba election ya ko muni me say aba no sika no aye wa pa no on person obeje sika mo matim but sika de bia bata ho mo che yes de message na e wo na de mo 2020 de win election no na penifo ni nyina esi forma ye kusuni o sa ha so no ethnic groups no so ye den e wa hante no ye factor sa enyama ni nyina so the message na ye den up form I think say so hu ewe communities na ye deploy ewe background for no ko the message na ye den up form concerning their business and we wo sa communities no o ko be a Muslim communities so ye decentralizing party for almost so many omo kasama na yede echo from these are some of the dynamics are na ye but ye the any spending ye mama with the clear picture of the democracy ye ntimi nkoton omo abin sika but them we see kind of na yede chiro and these are some of the things I NDC are putting in place me your assurance say and to be doing you question be so na
oh okay I see all right tell you na me na se ewumu a ye be san ba na jaw de amane ne kakra nso amayen
medase na de ba ko amehu wa han se the whole Ghana them say Ghana police service them say na de omu nyina wa em say na de by election we me hu bi sada police cars buy from nura yanda na jwa enye kaskito even me hu be globe police division say this is na cars ko awa hadi as na de by election we the Ghana police of the card what do you want my pa
police bambo no how adwin
oh how much you say about by let's say you know the first time I to amount but since I buy na family men nyina wake up as on my apparatus nyina resource enye easy meaning the police can go krom ha ni motor so anura ye di trail like base police motor so back krom ha na jurbe 2 o'clock police motors ni cars are deployed by Krum Hanin, but strategically, no. Ediana commodity bought Timon of the top of my question, but and also, yes, yeah, sure, almost a police media or Munyani Pabono Timon for. But a strategy, but I ban for sort of course of fear, but any.
Na se mukoduru ho nso na bambo ni ho anka mbeka se bambo wo fomu na o ma bo mu tiri mu poso medi bone ana
na I was so much when he found when police headquarters anamwa I was so when Ghana IGP so not anamba engineer nzaro ne bambo ni ha anana police fu ni Ghana nti no
na nya IGP o tisu na net so
ba ni nya police fu ko anamba
se obi anso ne strategy ana
nya strategy police rules in the say say emlana dey police Ghana service
ba say you say ye ko to by election IGP anka say see from say say entire ni ho ana
me trust a strategy on say you ni people who police can you machine ho so no kra twem kra obi ka ba tia treatment mi ko to ba but yes you make sure say no ayanda to no pe mi ka say kan na yes I do kro no ayanda say my man for tia say police service no so be there bia you refi ni ho police who crime who bibia oni ho right of me there the question
okay
obia ni right and obia to should be e kwa sama no to ba you right and the corner exercise is right and in enter you mean the just a sin of for they will be one of the best constituency when it comes to the democracy on take decision very positive
okay nti police presence ne de ngo se ebom hu sanse empanin se utiri hu fitaa nti amoanku nti munya wo mo no monyo adwuma na mo so munya mo de why
insanity But I can't never.
And I say, assemble fear said it a cannon, Amana.
Oh, sir, and yes, some young beefia. Said you, what could be near the first time I got by, let's say, the medical gato. You know, I
was also tears, yes, a woman saying the first time I echo by election. Yakubia to so, but this is the first time one you were incumbent MP or Teso. Na was sign a babyum. Ain't no definitely no security bekosro.
Oh, MP the son, oh, yea. Or no, if you are an amboa.
Sir,
any man for a 2 minute amount.
And I said,
or the one where trouble was police personnel, security apparatus beyond Kosu. I'm not a mandate, a constitutional mandate. And to a moment, for nothing of phone, I could decide. A coup for to be show be a fair. I won't talk about my message. Will be about the message because to say about force, you should be an idea. So police threatened here. Tell the CM because according to the information they are picking, police for now we are to be party worse in the crown. A campaign online. I'm asking a young yes, almost a police uniform.
Ora Newton Fiagbenu. Oh, too much. My nurse, the fancy auntie.
Anytime you also
Mate.
Police for a campaign, but calling off.
Pulling agents, Munina, Yamamu attire, Nibi.
And the Senator, your Mapenia, the former president, I can't see a disso. A seven and right to be no more and run at the Asset Private to be in your lake.
And Tiano paying so much sense so, and pay my sense attire and so. You, Martin, my man, I see. Yeah, that's be brave. Newton Fiagbenu, Achimoda NDC constituency organizer, and then the country and Komono, all the way from Asin North constituency. And no, I won't come. And the attire, I don't so 2 minutes be an attire and mu. On my way, yeah. On my way, your system, nenye, but on my anymore day. Your system, nenye, system, you dear good, I'll be bomb pie, babrewa. Unye, but on my anymore day. Generally, no many more the pa. Edubia, some in country these agents, and they say, more tire, and also the pastries in Amfafa. Enti, why ye pastries in any a gumwa who be brave. Birthday cake, wedding cake, bruduno, and in an emu. Samson a donuts and also in name meat pie, fish pie, in name rock bands, and none name kama pa. Into any emergency say we mucha tire, and now we must so check pastries. Na aye attire versus pastries. Yemwie ni ebehunu se hwan ne bema. Achem abo adotei. Achem abo adotei junction. Ehoro mo na baba wa adubia wa bebie ne shop no kama ene cake no. Oh. O de wo afu ani kokohe. O ene kama. Enti program bi a wo ya wo behia se ye ba ye de bibi kakra be boy ano twere no. Okọ adubia ho a obe ni nyina kama edi amount abusia oye ne fofo ne boofo umma sonso emu odu kama ewo mu a mi pon na mi si fam na me kọ nwa saa no a na je say adubia ho na me kọ mi duru ha behu ne wa hyeda ye special pie no umma so emu dudududu je so do nsa mienu ene fa adubia pastries or the musron kokra me pa chawo 0547 788539 0547788539 number be friend na edubia timi age so friend no make you order no why adwuma wo pon ho wato nsa friend crofo mo ba mo so be didi kakra o frɛ sa number na oni edubia nkasa obetete so de amount na etimi aboa wo pa afei Frimpon Enterprise no se men kan kire wo se provision store no a wabie no wo se wo ba ne ho na be fa niema kugum niema no ubenya mfaso bebre e de free susan se bo ne da fam tim ente se ya no mo de no mo de niema sika na de atoto so bebre ono ankasa mu kura so be ko wa mu na nanim se bosom si na adwuma nim omu nipa kasa nipa wo anyhow ne nneɛma boɔ nso den enko ho bra Frimpong Enterprise wo bu na mu abra Frimpong Enterprise ye munamu na kyerɛ wo akyire hɔ abra Frimpong Enterprise aha no yɛbɛsɛ akyerɛ wo na nneɛma no nso yɛasan tete so a ɛfoɔ yɛsere kyerɛ wo ne nneɛma boɔ ɛfoɔ ɛnya senketoa ma wo nsanka bi wankasa individual na wopɛ sɛ wobɛtotɔ groceries kakra nso a nso kɔ hɔ no mu a wobɛtumi akodi sɛ adwa no na ayɛ kama paa mepa kyɛw achimoda Madarina Hotel aseɛ hɔ na wobɛhunu Frimpong Enterprise adwumawura no 0244 897525 0244897525 and 020647 3953 020647 ɛyɛ namba bɛfrɛ na yasan so aba bibie yɛn korabata ni bi ɛwɔ Kane GN Bank ɛdan no emu Kane GN Bank ɛdan no emu yabebie yɛn korabata ni bi wɔ hɔ no ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ soft drinks nnɔkɔ deɛ no nko an yɛ tɔn ne hɔ ɛno nti sɛ soft drinks na wopɛ ɛde akɔyɛ wo wedding engagement outdooring ayie na abɛfie political party for no ti sɛ we mu a ebinom ma tire no mo nso mo nkɔ hɔ na mo nkɔ ma wo mo drinks no kama uti we ni di nanum atrantwie saa no na kyɛ sɛ wɔno so ofei na nipa ɛhwɛ de ɛkɔ so enti mo mmra ɛyɛ Frimpong hɔ no mo na mo mmra metɔ mo drinks ani mu nsuo ɛfa nkodi dwumadi ahodoɔ no a wo frɛ numbers na me de to dwa no a wɔne wo ɛbɛkasa Achimoda Mobile or Kane GN Bank ɛdan no emu ɛyɛ na wahyɛ nso ɛde ama me
Ghana adesie obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache ɛde ba Ahenkan 93.3 FM
enti yɛhwase yɛbɛsan akɔ Asen North Hobium na finally yɛne adwempa san akɔbɔ enkomo biom minim sɛ in our subsequent programs no nso especially news no ne akaka ho ni nyina no ɛyade a yebe brief mu ne mohunu ne ekoso wo ho no nti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛsan akɔ na yɛne adwen akɔbɔ nkomo the final one on the show na fe yɛde amamo mo messages ni bebre no anso aba manager ehu mo messages bebre no aba wa ha no mo a bekin kan kama de ma but ene no messages no dwell heavily on Asen North ye de ni nyina de bema mo afa ye wi a Ahenkan hia asem ya na me de bro only Mondays but enra ahia asem a me de bro fa mobile money charges no ho no news foforo aba enti me de bema wo eden biom na esensie after enra ede no aye kan ye no ede be biom na asan asi okay nti se opese wuhuru ne ekoso Asen North nso a ubetimi a advertise yen Facebook page no obohu se yede SFs of ne ekoso ho ede atototo ho mahu se we no obi ekura snap a minima de kode a ekoso ho de but mahu se okura snap wa ha omo aposti wo yen page ho nti wada roma won so kwa obetumi ehunu footages ni bi ewo yen page ho no mo eno no ya Ahenkan 93.3 FM on Facebook madwen kira hudu bi amodi aba we si efre no Gasco Lucy and I say Lucy Gasco say I don't even know how I'm inputting but nonetheless I see a friend Lucy na I see good morning obo by your friend Lucy me show live Eddie free Achim Abo Wabo Lucy Yedasi Bebre for coming through with this one. Asare George Yao Simpe. And so say I don't have something working. We appreciate you people for your good work. Okay. Boy abasu yada so say Agrek Aboraso Mr. Asare Construction. And womu ATA yan Asen North by election, you know. Or say NPP ebe wini Ura Charles Opoku abadwuma enti omanfo wo Asen North ho no enso so beda na sepa or say no challenger obi antumi challenge no ho ne de ode ba no DJ Omale enso so e de ode aba or say the good people of Asen North no wo mu nyina ekwa abonten ena akoto aba no massively ɛde ama owura Charles Opoku ɔyɛ number 1 enti yɛse sɛ wokɔ ase no to hɔ asisi ya no ebinom se fa ne fam ebinom se fa ne soro ɛne baabi abɛfa ne bia no onwunu nyiwo no ɛne ebehunu baabi asusuan de brɔde hono bɛfa oyibo bu atea twuma ne rebehi ɔno nso se Charles Opoku ewi ni seat no hands down Shama BA Edna Benya ɔno nso sɛ fundamentals ne nyɛ papa ensuo tɔ a ebegu animu ase yo yate Hailey Selassie ne deɛ ɔno nso de aba ɔse patriotic voices go so ɔse regards enkoma honorable Alan Kojo Kyerematen ɔse ɔno ne the next president ɔno deɛ ɔbɛbɔ na aba so wie yɛ na ɔse onipa betumi aboa wɔn amoma breaki 8 no ɛyɛ owura Alan saa nso so ɛna phobia fo nso asemo we see a friend Opon Bernard or say good morning bro yada sibibre on them GH and so say on my good morning Aaron Babako Komisa ni message no atro ne tintin on the edges of Yvonne Nelson ho no mo sha see through book Kwesi Amwani or say watching you live from Asama Kese or say good morning and confirm my minia bema o gba adwuma o hey message no so ade ma yen anopa no very 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 special pa nyankopon hira papa Kwesi Amwani de odi free Asama Kese de baye eno no sanso na Steven Boache onso message ni ehunu obo owura akoto abaso
Ghana adisiye obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba ahenkan 93.3 FM
enra ahenkan asem ena me bo wamane ye ni mpanimfo di nkomo bisibisi omo questions bebre ye ma omo ehunu ye ete ase se dwuma omo ni edi ne Ghana ha no enye dwumadi a ye ni eje ho sebe empanin se kotoma menhwe oto agodie no eya agobone nti ye ma mpanimfo so ya we se sa agro no omo ni edi no enya agopapa ene sen MTN for en wo mo tworo krata de ba abonten na wo mo krata de mu nsem wo mo kire se de edi nkan wo mo de deductions bi de ba na we no krapo nya me nkwa ma hu sankrofo bebree complain wa ha omo di deductions de ba omo so mo charge se wo de 2000 Ghana cedis ko to account mu na wukoyi ana se 2000 Ghana cedis eda account mu na o kwa koyi a kane no na nke yete 10 Ghana cedis afi omo so mo te 20 Ghana cedis endra ya mfa omo ho anche omo wa ha ye wo bere wom ye di mpanimfo no so twi ban o ya omo se o kasa mpanimfo no mu ntie me ka kire wo se mpanimfo no kasa omo de kwa adwendwen mu ne ye bebo o man no omo de ye adwuma nti ye kasa no omo tie enei omo hye MTN for se sa de no omo ye so omo ye no Ministry of Telecommunications ya maame Esla owusu ekufu nyankopon hira wo ye kasa ya no watie into aka kire MTN for se with immediate effect omo reverse sa de no omo de baaye no omo reverse intentem enti ene ya me no kasa yi ya de a omo plan review of the cash out fee a omo ye senka omo be charge 1% na je say omo beti 20 Ghana cedis from 2000 Ghana cedis withdrawal no he say omo kire say still remains 10 Ghana cedis and I say 1% no omo enya mfa anye adwuma and nti say wo kwakwa koyi usika 2000 na service provider no wo ho no and I say vendor no o ka kire say 20 Ghana oboa oyokromfo ka kire ne say MTN for say wo yokromfo yen kan kire wo pay enti o say omo an omo kan say anka wo ye changes na sa changes no enya amaso omo pachawo just momo 8 MTN enen krofo so kire se witiri so anka ho an ke betua enya de anka betua ye do omo ase se ye kan ye omo atie no omo ye ho adwuma e de amayen.
Fellow citizens, I ask you to be citizens, not spectators, citizens, not subjects, responsible citizens, building your communities and our nation. Let us work until the work is done.
Enti yada se yeda mpanimfo nso ase se nre no mkasa ya omatie e de amayen we eye nsemchoni bi a anka wonfa we nso ma meka ho asem but yen yaka kire say papa e beka e boni e beka papa e beka e boni a ye beka ofa kwabena kwache oman FM afutu ode ma me anopa yi ene se you can't be neutral, just be fair. Until we are fair to both mpanimfoɔ no ɛne MTN4 no ndrɛ kekan adwen kyerɛ wɔn ɛnɛ ɔmo ayɛ adeɛ ade papa yasan de aba abɛbɔ ho dawuro nyame nhyira wɔn mo na ɔmo gye fe yeso so yɛbɛkyerɛ ɔmo sɛ Ghana ha no yɛwɔ share wom ai nti yɛfa mo course no 0201944485 ɛna 0554820910 ɔmo frɛ but mete ɔmo asumu twene ba me hu aha nti mo nkeka nneɛma mo mu hɔ na yɛntumi ɛmfa wɔn so adwen kyerɛ mfa ntoa so na afei yɛn sɔre dwumadie no ɛso ante adwoa anɔpa yi mema wakye ne gyiri sɛ bibia bɔkɔ die wei no ase atu ante adwoa wei no ase atu so ehunu adekode ase atu kude 0201 944485 0554820910 I say not about where you do come or didn't you bet me diaba. Yeah, for course.
Ghana adisiye. Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ache edeba Ahenkan 93.3 FM.
Okay. Say them di kan you know. Say enfum so aba ho amon check. Enfum so aba ho amon check na omun tumi mra because me ti o masum pone so me ntehwe wa ha. Okay.
You know it's my feeling that it's talk I'm like that to you. I feel to carry you go on top of the world. Oh no, yeah. Oh my chama, girl I could do anything, I could hold you closer. Oh my chama, anything you don't want, just tell me yes sir. And I could do, you my sugar, oh my love, my sugar, oh my love, you my sugar, oh my love.
Ataya no so ye nya ntie so mugu so mo cha ataya no a mo cha ataya na ataya na Yura Mahama call her but me no ka say e ade a wa return back to Accra na say okoho share owura ajechi kwesen no share ne bo say daachi bi obeye mampani a obe appoint no as minister na eno no bi so kire say na wa mu ye de wo mane o so wo dia ma ade
no matter if I let you go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my more do. You kuro mu yi. Ghana hey. E mu de keke.
Come on and show me your love. Oh, come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love. Oh yeah. All this thing that I feel in my heart.
Or this year by your natty. Na most of the ABM.
I feel to carry you go on top of the world. We know, yeah. Oh my God, girl, I could do anything.
Nyame yadomo e china ye beka ho asem. Nyame yadomo e china ye beka ho asem. Why or this year ba ya natty o message ni mehu na nyame yadomo e china. Me pese ne no attention no by election ne so kakra. Na o china yentumi ehwe nka eho asem but Nyankopon nka mo ho. Nyankopon nka mo ho bosomefo. Nyankopon onka mo ho pa. Nyame yadom e kina e be hyeda aka ho asem. Ewo eha enomo. Okay, me ba.
Yes, sir. And I go do you my sugar, oh my love. My sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love. My sugar, oh my love. You my sugar, oh my love.
Enti bo amofra e ma no mo fa nche ye nim ni ato line no yeti we assume the way I we no ma waya no no gise e blinki ansa na yetimi afa wo call no en blinki ye na yeti we assume kre ntumi mfa anete ye
if I let you go when I change no matter
enti mo fa nche
let you go come on and show me your love come on and show me your love come on and show me your love come on and show me your love
Yaure you to nyum we din a friend no and I say the din no Yaure cause social media handles ni nyina search Yaure
I feel to carry you go top of the world
Ghana adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Anything you don't want, just tell me yes, sir, and I go do. You my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love. You my sugar, my love. You my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love.
Hey,
you my sugar.
Now I didn't serious. I didn't serious.
You know it's small feeling like
we a new registration a course so said na papa no air cano. Unsi ka say on sending evidence no. Because impening say ni oti yante. Ni ono so ti yen so nkyira ase a no oba ba nanum se anoma aba no. Nti no. Na dey see evidence. Wato evidence no so dey atuma mayen. Nti dia me hwe wa ha sisi ya no ye Electoral Commission of Ghana main kind information na wo so ni nyina nti mema ayem nhyew Electoral Commission of Ghana voter card na date of registration no polling station code nyina wa ha date of registration so wa ha 2023 10 na March 3 ya March ana meboa 03 ni ya March ena 20 into 20th March 2023 and a branch the registration no omo ye de man no ni tri hu nyina sako wa hai ba so mo fan antu abanti no nhye da nye bibi hu bi ana but Electoral Commission munya botrema yen because you say before you be continuous registration no mo di CI ba CI ni mu kra na ye twe ho da were yi well
you my sugar my love you my sugar my love my sugar my love you my sugar my love look at you baby girl make it do make I would do oh we crying in
you sound share you man as mama na me feel kakra lines na mo ho a
Ghana adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Yes am fetchire Ghana
adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Afei enwom no sa tie biom yawre na enwom no
Ghana adisiye Obuoba ofore amanfo emamo ate ediba ahinkai 93 FM.
You go on top of the world, oh my chama, girl I could do anything, I could hold you closer. Oh my chama, anything you don't want, just tell me yes, sir, and I could do. You my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love. You my sugar, my love, you my sugar, my love, my sugar, my love. You my sugar. Make a load do. Oh, we crying in the sing and run. Anytime I look at you, and I look at you, make me do. Oh, we crying in the one chain, no matter if I let you go. One chain, no matter, baby, can't let you go. Come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love. Oh, come on and show me your love. Come on and show me your love. Come on and show me.